do ba che say or some the tough and say
or has say my na e wo mu kapre ni ho abandada na nya bibia ho saa se o mbefa de aye de wo mu ye na kakra na adwadifo be yam wo majejeje ho to no nso a
eno so she ba won se na e man adwadifo ni bi ka say both NDC ni MPP o ma failure the enti o mo kan san say eja na chance wo soro enti eni helicopter biara aye betimi ama nsuo no afiri soro no e de abafam ye ni helicopter biara
drone po
aye di suo begu so na nkaja because sa wo Ghana fire service o mo kan kro mo di besi ho no enya betimi aduru soro
adwonso aye nuru ba bia
na de to so mienu edwa no so se de asiesi no kwan kura na bia e betimi abo awurem enti se wo hwe issue no a e wo dimension bebre e se ye fa na mom no yemfa kwanya iso na no me kan ne nsan sisudua ye ma me no madwadifo ye papa nom a mudi dwa munye insurance mamaduma
na nyebi
munye insurance say insurance companies na aba no bebre na timi de bi kra yesusu usika se bia 1 cedi wuti de 1 cedi to every day
wo de to
se afene so na bibia anto wo mutimi ma usika no mu kra bia 50% anaso mutimi kra ma 1/3 ma wutimi de hyewudwam ebi ma ye insurance ase wo yare na wutimi ma adwuma wo mutimi ma obi etimi bo uchidom e ma wutimi ye eti ebe se ye ma menom na ne adwadifo mo ma bia stores no se bia sika aba na bia wo de aye hyepe eni bia usi udan no adwuma ne mu na sika no wo de si eti ebesre ye maame no ye papa no ma mudi dwama o mobile stores no insurance company national commission of insurance commission o ma bo hu dawro bebre say insurance companies ni bia ba fomo a and then 1 cedi kra wutimi de insurance wutimi de 1 cedi o munim say ye maame no ye papa no mu pesusu o ma ton ade no eti be ma come out on insurance companies bebre a come out with policies a ye de boa emma bodua ene mema bodua ne kakra eti wo de kakra toto abosomi ne so a o munim say wo bi a 300 Ghana cedis wo ho bosumi mienu wo 600 Ghana cedis wo ho o ma chemu se o mu de bia ye insurance ama na o mu so de bi nso so ato wo de ama wo ato renchem to e bebo etu wo yare a na wonti bi because obi wo asa wo kai covid abreso a apam dada o mo man ko dum 2 days na come de no
enokre
efi se edwa no okwa de obenya na wodi
eno an wodi
eti mo se 2 days penny e ka se na afa bebre come de wo mo eti ese se ye pe long term measures ai betimi dia cable problem no anase betimi de esi ano kwan na de ba ko bebo ne se yenye insurance obi anye insurance ma ne ho se be ye ba ya ashi uko insurance company wa om kro mu hu de ko so eti ade research ro mbe ye obi anim na won so akwaje wo de kakra na ama watimi asa agina wona so
e bidwe tire ye 3 million nso jayi shi no was 300 million
I was obi je
3 million 300 Ghana cedis nso janation no si ye misika ye ebrade mawu na wo hwe ntuma efira no ya wo ka se misika 300 million ya insurance de ye
I was say oh to an kai bia 300 but the job was here
300 million so boa was so pretty okojeje bi no aton
this is Sompa and someone atujana mami for ba ko bi mra na Abraham daily guide obokra taro was ni penum bia hwe wo mo kwa ya ewo kan kwanhye bia esi wo ewo dwaso yakwe won akra komasi road ho no a wo mo chem se awia donko na no fiada ya wo asema me kesi fiada ya
ya ba me nda no kwesi da
ai ho no a wo ka se mre bi yakwe ba gidi because kwanhye bi si wo ho nipa ewu ye na nya nsem bi a wo nkai
enya ye nso ane ye de sha honhomone o ye de hye sunsumu nanso wo hwe kwan ne ye nye ya kwanhye antansi se bi driver na ekọ no wachia se kanen kenken su driver nkwanhye nsi ne mo wo mu yi kwan no the asphalt yi guso a mirikatente utia abufudade no so a wonhwe na chikura woni be ba ho so mfiri nkran accident
na wonim se nipa num
5
ene femu hire wo mo kwana nipa num na ewu no police officer ba kokura ka ho ampani fochem so no kra asante achema gogo e ne station no aboye adwuma eti nipa num o mawu ni nyina ya ma o amu no so e de akwakoto Steward Hospital emusieye ene e de o makwakogu just like that kan kwenche say sa Toyota car ibi saloon car and the speed and what they bana car go so this speed ba e be overtaking
and oyafa
e be overtaking
pentema be die nim
overtaking is so strategical so we you overtaking o free be po aye overtaking
Ofro bepo.
Ofro bepo you overtaking because who nim wanim
the eba
anase be a car be crazy ho.
Careful so you
overtaking because who nim careful so yenye. Esa we strategic. Because me Accra Kumasi road there me my chaso sa.
Yes.
Me ko Kumasi am driver.
One and
me am the ko na me papa ya driver ni.
We bodo.
Na papa ya driver ni nti ne gin na bi omi mu. It is driving dey me favorite.
Oh okay.
Me ko na me nya gospel bi di shema.
Yes.
Na Sompa for nso ti me bo. Nse Sompa 106 mo bo gospel na fine.
Me hu ni onim kaka me timi hwe ne din.
Adonim kaka.
Dr. Blessed Foster say. O hwe ne nim nso na ne nan no. Ne nine so nso na ehu ba bia se odi sisi.
And two parties win him driving.
What's it?
Who win him driving? Apa mi man
dayem de. Na ni wo so pa de.
Dayem de wele.
Me a kire de uti aso aka ne begina. De uti aso ebeko. Na me ankasa de
Apa mi won drive oda.
I'm passing bia. Oh my ride da.
Well, it's as a say what is the difference?
Ride ne de say no ne 9 mienu. Anamiensa moto sakre ndie ne mon ka ne 99 die no kureni
se watena ka mu
mafro ka pi
na wote steering wheel achi
na me ya mekutem
na wheel no wasom se na de wheel no kono wonya bi da
me busy ntie no me mfa nka ho
wo ye busy say ka na ni bia ka se bia me apam dada me se ka yi me ni bi na ebunti mame hu se ka na wonim ka anase ka na woni bi because obi wa oni ka oba wonim ka ka
obe say
wo de tu ni nyina woni ka na so onim ka ka
me mpene kantina me ni bi no
eza wo ni ka e na wo so wonim ka ka
doctor timika say apambe faka no me gina hodin o metime de safo na bibi pono no ne wo pesa me mfa mfiri mu mra bia metime afa ne mo nje kode je me po bi mo
anti dog kra kasa ji na tu ka na o kwa no biem no yi bibi demu no na no ma ye sadi na ko yi sadi ba ko eno ano
gina tofu elbra
ene wa
ha me free school fees
ene say wa bedru Accra yi di o first responsibility me dey ma ene say wo besua driving
one kind Odi atro bonsa
me to me boss say me be say usua driving
nkran drafo
na be da metimi ama car say wonim driving me da timi ama car
o de mami obi anya adwuma for driver
wo ba fam to driving ana
mekanisa
na ye dey trauma
no na edi kan pa na misua
na first trauma
me koshia akwanhia bi a driver ni na nkasa kura no wawu nti mami yam hyeme ha ho de
enne mai hu ba ko it first trauma no o second trauma ye
de to so me ni nkwanhia
ukonya nkwanhia trauma na say na
me de moto nyaka
e no so mo nya another second trauma o third trauma ba ni me no sunti na wusu so be drive
o drive ne de
ene ye bepe psychologist bi ama
oh okay
na o ma orientation
e wo car kan ho
e fa car kan ho and we be psychologist now oni apamatena se na because mentally no
some of we pe car ma me mo pe ponko ma me na mentena so and there me dey abatwa ne to a obetimi ahurihuri kura traka
e di ma mento ka ma mento ayi ponko na
e kan pe ponko
na de ponko be free anopa na de ponko na be adwuma na po anumre de ponko no kofi na o ma no be ma de ponko na sen ifie ho de
no be ba ho so na o makuna we Anopa daily post the worker any wa post bi aba na mampani gusua ebo mpanimfo no edin sesei wabo yewura brigadier Glover Eshon anan wo mfantini wabo ne din se wono ne nkoye commissioner of customs anopa krata no wotwa ehon nsem nyina de aba beto ha eno achi yewura Dr. Dominic Ayini wono ene ya ban lawyer pani anopa wo de aba beto dwa se enche bia wone nsantrofo bedi ahia na fi wono mo a ye wo mu nsemu hwehwemu bra ora ko na setene nyina ko nante yehu ba bia wo mai wono ma mai na bobo aka no saafo no nsem obebo nsantrofo amane ama ye de nyina nso atotudwa anopa krata no watwa e de aba beto ha na kotoka wienhye ngina bia na wo mo ache de eburoni frɛ ne cannabis bi wo mo che ye nso a ye se emuduru no ye kilogram no aduonu baako ne akiripo aduasa enwotwe wo mache nanka efiri omai mu akọ Britain mamu de akwa akoma abrofo anope krata no watwa de ababeto akira eno nso yede ho nsem ma wo na medoko krata fa etoso miensem a wode sehwina na mahemfo badwa no wode wonfuni ababeto akire na wo mo se wo mo kantam wo mo dinse de kire se wo mbeduma boa pa ama petroleum hub no etimi aye adwuma titru pani a otua no se de beye na nenwumadie ebetimi akọwa no anopai Daily Post the Bokrata no
na mame fa the informer the Bokrata no nothing but the truth na the odi aba ne se galamse ko aye ko no se minister a order deportation of foreigners obi oye wo a galamse nti no nenam Ghana ha no ye mpam ne mfiri ano nsan ko nchi ebi se enya de ebema ho kwan ama oman no ye kwaya da ne mfofo ne nsuwo no nyina nso aye basa eno achi no nso wo mo de atolo ya Joseph anim se kawa no tum o say shut up. NPP made you.
MPP ne ma ye why
shut up.
Wanu tum.
O kasa dodo.
O so se men shut up.
To what you say? Dr. George Adea Boateng Adwumawura. O say shut up. What you say? NPP made you. Ye ne ma wo ye nipa.
Okay.
Party no.
Ye ne ma wo ya adwasa.
Etinye nne na wo betena ho abedo so party no. Na kasa
wanu ati free
so ati yes wanu ati free a o say entwaye eti ansamo no na NPP Dr. George Adea Boateng wade afutuo e de ama former Domi Kwabenya emrahye bedwani lawyer Sarah Adwoasafo say enimanimu ya wonya sa ne kasa visa sa attack no de ba party no so no emfaso obi ani so at the end of the day party no da so move free eti ade na say buka wosim
no kore
eti wonya hweye na wonya sa ade no kora na ono Haruna Idrusu nso katafe toso ho no a etoso mienu de eba no a eno no so de asembi omode asembi ababa beto ho wudu katafe toso enum ho no a asema the informer de aba ne say Minister of Education Honorable Haruna Idrusu wa shebo say Council of Public Universities aban emewurawura mudwumadim enya dia interference bi abeba monko so ana munya madwuma pepepe na lawyer ye private legal practitioner lawyer Martin Kpegbu nso wakasa bo amane say national security ready no omo ye no ya wa esi akoke no for ya tafie ya esi akọ Dr. Nesade Simfi o say embarrassment to the nation egu o mind egu ye ni mu ase nti the national security force say o ma fofra o mu ni wo mu huni e the lawyer na beto na o de check that nso beto office so na ya na what it is alleged it is alleged say onu na ya na edi emu a na wurawura na o say nti ko ye we no a na Ghana eda internet biase nyina say yes former ye ko ni fie former ye ko ni fie no na no nyam be na free mu bae eti we na private legal practitioner no wa chere na adwene ede afa na ye ka mo say bono nso apa ho sema edu 7:20 am pepepa ye bebie ye lines no ede to akasema kakra bi na ye koso 0260196064 for the Bokrata wo bobo so ni nyina no ene apam Accra diaries ni nyina no ubetimi dia ba 0260196064 and 0260196065 0260196065 and then troto of his enche e bebie phone lines na anopai and some she say as the Bokrata we crowd di bi ba no say friends say we di e bi to so na numre de na we
huru sem pampahye no fa kan ho hye watimi akọ
we say friend fa kan ho hye the Bokrata and I say numre de no 5:30 no so de
numre de no say eno na ye yas toothpaste de and no fa pause na wonu munye hwam me fanto ade no so asefa pause feature na me se be catch say pedi mame and de waka me de be ma wanche na
anopa de so sem ka se pedi mame
no fa bo ho hye akọ nyima so
e de friend fa bo ho hye
bo ho hye de
Bokrata don Sompa 106.5 FM
bo ho hye de Bokrata
e friend say bo ho hye eti adopon krofo me ball mo ho hye
kama pa
fa bitu aso
ene me de nsekufo de Bokrata de nkusita ene eto aso na one day say redefining objectivity say borofo no makani
yi wakani yi pa
ha anopai wode yewura de sinimfoni aba beto akiri no say papa no say Bank of Ghana ho wo bia na wode CCTV camera abo ho de wo mo ye bia no wo hwe wo fie wo mo de sika kwa akoto ho an wo hwe ba bia de besie no wo hu nom na ho ade eto ate anopai krata na atwa ho nsem ya wode aba na yewura wo hwe akwane akwantempa ho nsem so yewura Kwame governance Abuja wo se wono de ebe no se tie bi ayekwan so wo beboja pa titiri ni towing system won kasa yemfa nyodwonsobuo na mmom wo mo eden hyehye papa eba begu akwan mu se de uduru ha nya fe na abedi santen so ama ebi abo chewchew nom ne ade na ye di hwiodua yi na hwan ai so tane ye de ne na mo nchen uduru hɔ atoyin system no o na ate na o kɔ nya fe no obi ba begina wo na wo mo gigi wi akwa kodi botɔ foforom ɛno nso ɛda ha adekye enkramofo a wo man mu ne ama foforo so nyinaa no akwanche konkron wo mo de ba wiye ne no ɛna bostofo akwakyɛ imam ne adɔfo no Adea anopai inquisitor wetwade aba na sɛdeɛ Namibiafo ato aba ɛde ama wɔba ma mpanin na wɔyɛ mampani abadi akyire wɔno obedi afie ni ya wɔn to aba wasan so adi nkunim sɛ professor Jenna na opoku agyeman Ghana mampani abadi akyire wɔkɔ bi na wɔne maame no wɔn mfoni ɛda krataa yi mu a maame no ɛhwɛ n'anim paa kyɛ sɛ a wɔba sima na de atumi ebetumi ato nti Michelle den ɛhyɛ wo nkuran anopai krataa no ɛde ho nsɛm aba beto dwa
yɛbrɛ ne yɛn so ntimi fa da wɔbɔ krataa mienu na the Daily Dispatch factually reliably factual
factually reliable factual
Mame kama de na me kwai factually reliably factual eno the Daily Dispatch na wo hwe ani mu ha wo be hu lawyer Adwumawura for former NPP Mashebedwani anu wo domi kwabenya anu se tension bi eje bi ahye edere e wo NPP mu na lawyer Adwumawura for na e bokoko no te se obi entimi nkama no ntum obi entimi ngage mi o obi entimi fa credo ntoma no me mabie ma no so mekasa no mekasa ama me ho atome na eno na kumawu Mashebedwani nso de na no atom biem se ba bia NPP won ye fa bibi redemption what a redemption I say
redemption ya sorry
because redeemed by the Lord what you say the Lord has redeemed us
sorry be the class redeemer
I mean but the word redemption yes sir because what chiama kanyina mama oh wa be redeem ade bi ahwere wona wasa obi asade abrɛ eti MPP fo ani monyam a ato apɛ no wo mo sai pɛ ne back so o mu nkunim die na o mu nyaaye no o mu pɛ ne yi
o mo sai pɛ ne bio
na no na kumawu Mashebedwani NS anim say blame game no emfa obi ankosi ba bia de o mu hia ene say wo mo ebeka wo mo ho abom eno de ebetimi ama party no afa no ntoma pa efra wo ha eno no say wo sha the Daily Dispatch aba ena the insight do obokrata na IGPC mobile money vendors no yetete wo mo mobile money fo na we no obi abetwe wo musutuo na sa ankrofo no a akromfo no mo target mobile money vendors no wo so be target wo
okay
it is a more target mobile money for ono so be target mo so obi target no yonko it is target ni target wo abeto from no ato from if say say mobile money for no wo mutimi eyo o madwuma pepepa eno ho asem no eda ha na say wo hwe da obokrata ye fa ne Business and Financial Times a wo mo de wo mo hwehwe o man yi sikasem ye dwadie ni ade a wo de abase o man Ghana ha enwuma eye local industries no maka mo ho abomu no yesi epese di free sanitary pass ye adwuma eye sa ema ye bu yensa mo na san sanitary pad na AGI for say yema local producers enye na sika ne nka ha
local producers o mo de na eye fochi ana
se niema ye de ye na se bu se won say ye raw materials no enyina wa ha na
okay
se raw materials ni bi wa ha dia se bi ti se wo hwe yan sanitary pad
yeah
ahun say ye wo yan sanitary pad
and o mo no ha
minye show so mo ye no ha me show so mo ye free outside no mo dia ba because all the wish sanitary pads ne tonton na de do no mo ye free outside no mo dia ba eti say ye pese ye wo ha ene ye say ye empower sa local businessmen
no mo so
eti no mutimi ye sanitary pads no ha na ma ne bo na ba fom eya na bi mu se ne bo no kosoro efi say Ghana point but say aban ma o mu subsidies bia say bia tax exemptions ni ade bia o yi to kakra fi mu mo eno betimi aboa amatimi agenti the Association of Ghana Industries AGI wo mo na de sansem na to dwabre na so say ye ma ye tiefo ebem
na ye tie sompa Yenina ye tie sompa Sompanie enyumunie sompanie kasie bonie sompanie osompapanie sompanie radio nie yaba sompa
okay Sompa 90.7 eso ini na yekokofa de obon krata mu nsem ni abedru no na yabono tofa na se de na poso no de aba no sabre yesoso yaba ewo ha nti obetimi afre ne ukokotie de obon krata mu nsem baaye no obetimi de wadwenkyere aba ohwebre no a no nso aba
yenina ye tie Sompa
ne 23 after 7 ya be alliance na tumu ha ukokotie de bon krata mu nsem ne aba no anopai no ubetimi afre na ososo wakyerɛ wadwen de afa ho number no ɛyɛ 0598994994 0598994994 the bomu krata mu nsɛm no aba beduru anɔpɛ de kɔ Accra Sompa 106.5 ekofa no ne ososo obetimi aka afa ho na obɛkyerɛ wadwen de afa ho ne bie lines na tum nti obetimi abɔ awuram na also aba bɛkyerɛ wo adwen 0598994994 0598994994 and 0502057003 0502057003 ubetimi afre na also de ode aba and nano pay the bon kratamu nsema e baaye no na poso no yenya
90.7 FM.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Aduma.
Mini awdini baby ofefi.
Moses. On to say.
Bajo me hoyo. Oh, too bad. Want me engine so. Ubetimi afre 0598994994 0598994994 ufra na ososo de wadwenkyere aba ewo de obon krata mu nsam no anopai ne yakofa ede abremu no ubetimi afre na also de wadwenkyere aba 0598994994 0598994994 and Vodafone and Telecel 0502057003 enti iguso ubetimi ede wadwenkyere aba na akwaba
enua
Sompa FM
sapo me adom ne ahwe ye nti ye ho ye
weekend net say
nyame adom
okay
nyame adom
nyame ase anti ye be lines na tum ye guso ano obetimi nsoso afre now de wode aba 0598994994 na ode aba menim the bonkrata mu nsem no wo comments bi ho na say ye jump straight and they adwasafo former MP Domeko Menya oguso kasa ne cry so de ni chire wo kumase na akoto aso Jasin Kodua Akufo Addo de mom no Akufo Addo de mom no sisi de obeye no ebeye aketua
controller ne betua
controller ne be control de aba nti besom so asere obi abosom so na akwaji usika obange no sa no so obeye omo ede no na president Akufo Addo de say omo de fa mobile money
no to be honest na minim modu a yetua de ma wo omo de fa mumu ne ma wo
ti o ha na ba pe abo
right
but we dey omo kwa kwaji o bank ena no so no say etiminate me delay
okay
a paligu bi am 4 months 5 months kra no munya na e ba so e babom e bi wo so e ba be a 2 months na ka 2 months na ya nti
90.7 FM.
Hello, good morning
sorry
ade
and the
0598994994 0598994994 I'm say minimum ade
network challenge
network omfra na akate Vodafone and Telecel no so obetimi try there for her and it is 0502057003 0502057003 and into my main kai tie for so say e free na ekubia no ye kofa newspaper review no wo nkran a ye be be lines no wo Sompa 90.7 wo ha na so afre a kire wadwe nti hye no so say free na ekoi no sa na ye be ko no de obom nkrata mu nsem no abani nyina na omobobo so wi a na ne ewo mu a sese wo so pese wo kire wadwe fa ho no
Sompa FM
wadwen edi afa ho nti hye no so say 720 anopa bia ade chambia dwumadi su bia no ye bie lines no ema adofo mo kire wadwen edi fa ho
right adwuma eno ana waka nti eno ye nhyehyeye foforo a ye de aba ye dwumadi emu anopa no anopa bia ye befa da ubon krata mu nsam no afiri nkran na ye kenkan krata no napo ne napo so na ye boboso de kire wo a na yaba na ya bebia ahoma na tom na waba be kire wadwen nsam na ye boboso no de ka wo se ka bi de ka wo se kire wadwen no na waye ne saa ede amayenti niema fofora ye de aba program so no ebi eno no quick one on Adwoa Safo issue no a tony issue akoye besepa ni koni ahaban yetase ne banyansafo na mede ansa kra meka bibia no me pese MPP for pesa asondwe badea ene Adea e so omoye ne se e wo se omoma delegation bi ekohia Adwoa Safo e wo se ye fra Adwoa Safo na niema bia ha no ye ne no tena ase na ye ka no kokoam won se ensem Adwoa Safo ka no o se ono nsem a ya ka gu ne ho fi ebi kura no ekoka ne papa ebi kura koka na busua eno nti na ama ono waye na dwen se obesan ni ti na mum nye MPP ensem potense ono na ebe kire se MPP we na elusu ye o se nsem a yaka fa ne ho agu ne ho fi
90.7
oba abe kire mu na me de mepese se beye ya owura kodua letter na ode aba no ompe kwan bi na on withdraw letter no na o withdraw letter na omuhu kwan a ombetimi afaso because party no mpanimfo wom ye wo party no nipa binum Adwoa Safo boafu omo no ye wo binu so omu a ne bonyamfu wo omo mu betimi identify safo no na ya frɛ no na ne hanu bia party na tie ye tie ne nsama e hanu a na ye gina so ede akoye se ye de ahwe kwan a ye de beka asem no ye se akokɔ hoi onto badwam nti eni kwan se wo mu jai Adwoa Safo ema okoto ne kosua wo badwam omo mfa kwan bi so na omo nye na ye ka se ye to abawie ye enkrofo akọ radio so kasa ene ne keka ho de a ono general secretary angaza kura ye to abawie ye wakọ radio so a o kire niema at a point kura na oblemu president Akufo-Addo say o mutu nufo a na ontie eka ho bi na ma o madu babawdi nti no say ye targete Adwoa Safo no nko a ebe ma ebe dipin suspicion a ono wo say ono ya sheda na ya ye ne target a ye pese e bia ye pam no free party no mo ne keka ho no ba me so me feel say ewo party de ye de dodo na ye nti ye hia obi a nti yemfre no yemfa nyansa kwan bi ene no ntena ase na nsema ha no because they say omate committee Professor Michael Queen e da no Adwoa Safo problem no nyina so free de okoi abusuafo no eso wahunu nti se no ebeye den sa Adwoa Safo be ko sa committee na nim
nyina ye Sompa committee ni kwa bogus
aine se ejina baby ansam no free ono free free baby a o kan sa asem no based on near baby onu gina and or they can say asem no because say ono feel say Professor Michael Kwe Junior and ama sa akonwa no ahwere ono na se ahwere NPP enso ena o ka say omoko primaries no omo kan sembia kan ya akosi say ne papa kura nko school da sabi ye kuo akonwa na ato ena ye kope ndi Ghana ha obi na betimi akọ school ye won krofo bi omo ni formal education so omo abobra sene omo formal education ndi say ye primaries ye niema bi a e wo say ye to ye bo as if say after primaries no abrabo wo ha e was a party no bo ndi say ya nhwe yi a ebe wi ase no na aye bibia e wo ho ama enema ebe ye sedia etinti no
but nana Adea ba ko so ne say Adwoa Safo no ne niema bi odanedi bra ye hia no parliament na wakotena buruchiri yetimi suma nipa kwabrane eko America ko gina oponochi bom kanka adwasafo so omfi na sa na ma ni na o enti no na dwen se oba ba wi ni promise ana
utie ono so ne nkyere mu na o se sa na ma ni bi anya nokore enso nipa hyeda kan
no okay nana say nyina na e Ghana ha bra omu hia nipa do omu hia nipa ma pass yi levi adwasafo ne ye hwe na ehunu
wa kire ni position o say
position is o say
o say e levi no
o say eno no ka ho na MPP kura lusu ye
o say yes o say ono personally from a
na on support
point of principle no na on support e levi no ti ono de na we decide say o ma meto aba no ho de
nana se nkasabre no na se ko kirim public man for what ase
maybe
I'm a public
maybe ono
ne ya wa lose promise party ni so lose wo domin ko benya obeka saseme ya se na obi anim
that time obekire mu so anka emwa kebe ha party no more enti enede
na se wo
enede omuni battle bia to fort
dabi nana obetimi ni president asusu ho wo president ya na wo kra wo bonachi tama obeye deputy speaker deputy majority leader na wo presidency no ende no wani age afa you free wa na afa politics dey nana sometimes in sa na kono wonya no fenchim sa o
yeah wonya no fenchim ba Kwame se wonya adaje tie adwo asafo a ensem a all kan no eye ensem a nipa bi na ahye da anwene ensem no okan obisa question bi say Ghana ha and it is true Ghana ha ye mra mu no wo ye minister untumi ntu kwan without the permission of chief of staff and the chief of staff a man kwan go betima tu kwan osan raise the issue say as a mother neba eda awusuo neba ewu neba the ICU any political position or as a mother nka be yi dia wo he any reasonable mother bia be choose so neba no first
na nyesa adwosafu ya yesi neba yare ne ho wa ena no TikTok a oyi amanfo ani
no na o kire se sa ne ma ni nyina ye calculated ye ne old videos ne niam bi na enkrofo ahye da akofa
na ya edit ya ntini nkan adwasafo na se kasa abe na se nko kasa o
Kwame won say
because do me ko benya no abana promise no mututia no na ye sa ne ma ye o ehinsem o because adwasafo de because of ne papa taifa ho ne o tie ne ade nti adwasafo de no fans among for penasem ne ade but sa ne o kire say constituency chairman ene ne mpani for by press conference efa sa ne ma we nyina adwasafo ye frew
na tumi bi sha kire
omo pa o chaw bro adwa bro edumre bi no na adwa o kan sem bia enye ye bi
na tumi bi sha kire sa tumi na sha kire ni say let us give a dog a bad name and hang it. Yengu adwasafo hu fi. Na yema say asam no so nyina si ye no Kwame say nyese na okase asan ka wonte ono so ne side of the story.
But na dey ne si kwan say na sabre no obeka sa.
E be a wanya the opportunity no. Say ono so be kire ne side of the story no emu. Indi sometimes yen muya so shefa. E wo say uti afare no nyina. E na ono so ne dia o kire mu no. Kwan bi so na eto asmu as a minister on to be kwan without the permission of chief of staff and otie no further was the chief of staff ya aware of na kwantuo presidency ya aware of na kwantuo parliament ya aware of na kwantuo in the time a constituency for press conference tia no nyina no ne expectation is say anka obi beka say no watu kwan with a permission based on adie way ndi onu ndi Kwame sometimes one tie ni papa one tie asem na fa nu no na tie ba ko for pe asem na de bua eno na ama nne all kan sem a all kan ndi media me feel say
enti nana me bo on say time o call na o ma no
aine
na president Kufu Adokora kasa
aine
o man bre awama na gender ministry
oyi revoke na
odi Akufu Adokora kasa chief of staff ya yete se o musman ama obi call ne ho America kan Japan de sikato so se omra oba o de bema no sane ma nyina akoso o ko cry de but o president na o cry na se o cherodo enti bra adwasa for say dabida mema ejo no so no o play mafia tactics na sa obeka ya tamo mu yi ni free deputy majority leader adwasafo ehado pa
sure
esinu yi hwe bra ne nkasa ya wokan kura waka wom say party for no kura na mo prenso say makoko senior ebeba be ye speaker enti onum say sa bato a yese ni sise kura na mama me hu say adwasafo eka omo to aba omuditia makoko junior senior no ho no on say eduru mre bi no na asese ye hian wo cry there but nana eduru mre bi a ye be hian enti bra ye be hian enti bra but ye ka bibia ase mafia na
90.7 FM
ewom se na mafia wom de akufo ado ene makokwe mu no unse akufo eduru mre bi na akufo ado president akufo ado no owo makokwe mu omo gang no omo ayi no wo ho
sure
na ase adwasafo so ne nkrofo kakra bi wo ho eni ti no mo ya de etia no na ni nyina mu no mo ye etia house na ye hian because party no na ma adwasafo aba ya adwasafo na na ma remfize adwasafo no ne papa o sika bebre wo ho but say ye hu adwasafo sa adwasafo ni no aye party MPP and yes, sometimes who ye be so asa wo do wani to because Canada Japan akufo adu mu nyina say bradwa bro adwa say
me point na say sa yatra sam pempenso no ni nda meka say yatra ne say one MPP as a party na nkasa kura no wo maluzu akonwa adwasafo na nkasa so aluzu akonwa but akonwa we na wo maluzu no doesn't mean say omo nkope biem
Sompa FM
ombese kwa akope biem enti no ma omo luzu omo guard empanimfo wo party no mu ono adwasafo de asem ha no bi a wo kasa sabre no wa mekasa bi afi no no so ne tamaso so kasa
engineer all can say obi su sore no so bekasa sapati na what it
eno tinna e
was say do no so kra no na all kasa dodo
eno tinna no
na say we say wo bakuma se biemo
yes
en can stations amatis o kasa bedru be nine
Kwame
wo san so bakuma se
ne ono
so jani mu
ne akoni
no Dr. Baumia wo say wono de like onye boni bia na boni ni nyina afira kufu ade ne nkrofo say Dr. Baumia so nyame ya 2028 obeba o kasa sai niema wase ana wo pese o kyerese na edoso adwasafo eye waka bia eye
enu ti na me say party MPP no empanimfo nim e wo so obi frɛ no what I say enye hunahuna okay what of cross adwasafo betima ye na dwen say party no okay memma biem meme contest primaries biem meme contest parliamentary candidate biem but obedi abro obekasa obe reveal enema bi and America said the best solution to this issue enye letter na Justin Kodua atweroye no the best solution is say e was say elders bi omo party no mu adwasafo fere wo mo e was say ye fere wo mo ye de to omo anim na omo no fra adwa na ye katen za adwa eye adwobre wa ye bi ajai ye nkasa wa ye bi ato aso na afei omo de no fa kwan mu wonsem nyina ye den na omo ye involved to say ono ne family on that some na shifted from MPP o akoye ono ne family ene Michael Kwe no enti no e wo se obi gina ntamu no osiesie abusua mienu no ntam what I say no osiesie abusua mienu no ntam because meme de nyesa yete ha reason adwasafo ne explanation meme te ne na no ono ananu ntom e wo Joy News say na onyim ye ko election na onyim enu mu na obewo ye na ohwere ne ba no aye say odi yawa ne ho beto no na ne ba be ma pagini so yare ye e wo say ye no operation na e wo say ne one of the parent e wo ho and in this circumstance no ono na na say okwo ho na ye nyina so ye nim abrochire said ya child welfare ensem esitie ene ne keka ho ntino na e wo so ntino as a mother
na metu asio but sa situation na okomu nyina ofirimu eba wieye ofirimu a na esese nka brebi aso se eseke wo ba na obeye abanya djuma parliamentary duties ne enema nema ba sabre ni nyina na osusu se obi mabonu gumbe nti ono so pese obo party ni gumbe nti na no pese obo
eno de betimi aya atete sem no bia Kwame
nana
because and the bit my at some no be anti media I still stand by my position say party no mon frɛ no nyasa nea all yes say no or every right Emrabian sinu kwan.
Emrabian sinu kwan.
Or every right to do asama hano no because say ono no or redeeming the image the integrity and crofo say no. Say binit ne akra wo kan say yes omra kra no so omma. E bi ono so gina ha na o kire wo mu a wo beti na say obi akra nkofre no. Enso ya bible ntia be kan say yakọ kra kofre no wo say wo omma. Wo hu na mejro no. Sometimes
say unze na Ebia chief of staff ana Canadian pon a yetete say omo no frɛ no omo so ba abonten an ke beti nsem different no.
That is why America say and until somebody should call pull the brake on Adwoa Safo o say obi frɛ no na ejai na so on person Adwoa Safo jai dia oye na enye sa letter twere no a justice go do atwere ye no o say omo to omo bo ase ansa no who can the befaso. Indeed, ye Adwoa Safo de no.
I'm say kokofa tip.
Ye befa tip of. Okay.
Kokofa tip of aba.
Right.
Agudie mu nsem ye de toaso de amamo ye ba ye be san aba betoaso. Nti yenko.
Sompa Sports. Women's Premier League is back again. Sompa Sports. Sompa.
90.7 Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Our Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of
Sompa Sports.
Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah Gyan, we've been there.
Okay, abusiafo ya mamu nyina mwache afamra Sompa 106.5 FM nyasem keto kra ena no penso ya trase biem we aye tip of jumadie no ena brana wiado si etume de baba som wo mamra kwaso ya nyasem keto ama no pe na me amatrase no me di ena yakosu ya je wakode boate na mentenan kosisa no nwatwe bebo se kan na fe ya de nyankropo asem enso atumi ababa som na unim say ya shasia na cha say ya shasia de afra fisemu enro da games a wodo pinu a enso etumi kwaso Ghana Premier League match day 25 eno so games a wodo a etumi kwaso no na nya asem keto akura na me pacho ma me fanto animo say games a enro da kwaso no say na wo sansam esitie bibia ne Gold Stars one more atena fie eto nsa de frɛ eye House of Folk ewi akire na se ne nyina da akwa 1-1 ya mo board draw na anya asem ketwa na Accra Lions wamonso ani Legon Cities ene timi kokosi akan me pacho match ne kwa na wiye no na akwakoye 2-1 against Legon Cities na Kumase Asante Kotoko Krobia Maru wasu kuma pemu a apembaba wamone Basake Holy Stars na enwa da timi kokosi akan wiye kire no na Krobia Asante Kotoko wanmo tumi ahye bako ya Holy Stars wanmo tumi antie na Karela United enwa woni Bechem United ene tumi kosi akan me pacho baba moro wano ashe go Adma Karela United wano ne di kato atena na edi kan na Eric Antwi wano so di atena toso mienu enso tumi kokosi aka na Becha United wamo tumi baba te ya ekokwa ye 2-1 ewo honomo media ma enso so die nie wani Aduana Football Club no ene tumi kosi aka enra da Ghana Premier League ni mo ewi eche na akwa ye 2-0 against eye Aduana afe brekum Chelsea me pacho ma me fanto animo se enra match awodo ye koso no wamne FC Samates 1996 ene timi kokosi akan ewi akire obi adwumi afatena Anthony Yonku Pomu na Vision FC wamne Nations FC enso kosi akan ya e wonso de no obi adwumi afatena Anthony Yonku de na Dreams FC wamso so de nie me pacho wane Young Apostles na
etimi kosi akan Abdul Razak Safu wano etimi twatena edema drisi ya jese na nya senketo akwa na chowre table no so a say anestie krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko wasi wukuma pema pembaba wano na dikan wo 42 points baby ani Gold Stars toso mienu wano so 41 points na House of Lions toso miensa wo 37 points Accra House of Folk wano toso 9 wo 37 points Beche United and wano toso numu wo 36 points Afro Nations FC wano so toso nsia wo 36 points Media Sporting Club wo toso nso wo 35 points and Afe FC Samates wano so toso eyamwotwe wo 32 points me pacha mame fanto animo say Dreams FC wano toso enkono wano wo 30 points and Afe Brekum Chelsea wano so toso edu wo 29 points we say Adriana wano so toso eyedu bako wano so 28 points and a Young Apostles wo toso dumienu wo 28 points we say Vision FC wano toso dumiensa wo 25 points and Afe Holy Stars Basake wamo so etoso dunai wo 22 points na se weni de ho na wo hwemo pa no Karela United wamo toso dunum wo 13 points and Afe so Atrema FC wo toso dusia wo 17 points me pacho mame fanto wani wo 21 points momu mame fanto wani mo se Lagos Cities wo toso dunso wo 21 points and Afe Accra Lions wamo so etoso dunwotwe wo 20 points na se we Ghana Premier League no Monday 25 kakra na ekwaso na me pacho ma me fanto wani wai say enra after the games no coaches a wo drop in atumi nya kwanya ene centralfo edi nkomo na sasia no say wo hwemu pa no a coach ye wonu gina mu Adema Lagos Cities ye wura ya wo champion wonu nya kwanya ne centralfo di nkomo ena wo kira say enra de the boys ne wo mo bobo pa na nya sanketo na wo hwemu a enuoma ba ku mienu bi na ansa dan ko yamfa ma wonu mu a enra ntwode chenchirenche etumi eba wonu makwem.
The defenders, I don't know what they were doing.
Sompa Sports.
It's football, we have to take it to the field. I'm very, very disappointed because we need character. Matches like this and where the team is, we need players with character. But they are playing, but they are not playing with character. So how can you win a match if you don't put something, you don't show something? How can you win a match? It's not fun. It's not to play somebody. It's the results we want. So you have to, the mindset have to be, you have to win. Oh, for now, I don't know what to say. Because I've done anything that I have to do.
90.7 FM.
So we just go to training and then we see how we have to move on.
Me pacho weye kakra ye free woba ewo Lagos Cities one mu coach ye ya wa champion na so ye no na wonim se Rena Craft wano aye head coach Adema Accra Lions wano so nya kwanya ene semtrofo edi nkomo no cha se ball no de nyame anim ni wo mo boy papa against Lagos Cities ene nti na mankunim de no da etumi ye won mo de no fasa kwanya no so na fe players no wa bomu nyina abaso.
I'm completely done, probably like the players. It was in the second half, it was a defending battle, defending the 3 points, and I just told the players if the final whistle is there and a lot of players laying down on the back can't do anything anymore, then you know something was right. Yeah, it started 3 days ago against Karela. We're becoming more and more team. We're becoming physically more and more better. As you can see, we can go for 90 with high pressure, with defending well. So we are developing. The team is really developing now. The next game is probably in 2 weeks, far away, because next week Nkoranza is not playing. So we have to go to Samatex. Of course. For us in our situation, no game is easy, even not in this league. I just expect the same. I expect that everyone exhausts himself up to. Yeah, the tank is empty, and then everything is fine. Then I can live with every result.
Abusia waya kakra ye free woba awo coach aye Rena Craft na so ye na ye kokotie no na wonim se Prosper Nate Ogum wo kokro bia Asante Kotoko ukuma pemba ba wonu mo aye team ni mu a wonu na head coach Adema wonu mo na anu a wonu so nya kwanya akasae anu o chese nyamie no kwasem ni se wo so bone nsam kra no anko be bone nsam shra o Adea makro bia Asante Kotoko sanse anu a bo no a wo mo boy no otimu se bibia na chese ededa na kwem.
I think we played better, we scored, so we deserve it. Zolu's leader, he commands a lot of respect. He understands the game, so he's able to tell his colleagues what to do when we don't have the ball and when we have the ball. And you can see he has a lot of communication ability. He's able to direct them on the ball. So I think playing in the middle of the park is a weapon. It was key when they came on Abet and then MP Che. They brought some stability. They made us to have control of the game. We were leading, so all that we wanted to do was to just make sure that we keep hold of the ball. We wanted them to see more of the ball, and then when they lose the ball, we punish them.
The course war between Wamone Kumasi and Sante Kotokono, Nanyas and Ketuakura was a new man that course no, Wakasu Kanina, Adea Akye Abia.
Well, we have done well, as you clearly see in the pitch.
Sompa Sports.
Unfortunately, we conceded the goal early in the 30th minute of the first half. We made mistakes because I think the ball was preventable, even though sometimes deflection, you don't have option because we were not expecting that the shooter will come from that angle, and it came. The game is about winning. Either you draw or you lose. Unfortunately, we lost. We were expecting at least to get a better game, and unfortunately, we considered the early goal, and then that was the differences in the game. We'll take it in a good faith, go back, work, and then see how best we can work. We can play our next away match again because we are going to Takwa to meet with Yama as well.
I was your way, Ayabasaka Holy Stars. Coach Yawa no Dano, Yira Abdullah Ghazali, and Yatese Wakasano. Now, when him say World Cup qualifies 2026, matches and Odwanwa, and Eto Jana, na crucial game. And one more, the Blasters of Ghana, one more, and Madagascar, able to me, Siakano, 7 p.m. Kenny, and a some match, able to me about so now, when him say Friday, match change, Kwaswo, our cross Stadium na Bushana Nyasam Ketuakura and one of the Blasters of Ghana one more atina fie ewo Accra Sports Stadium atonsa at the Chad national team no ekwawi as a Blasters one more to me asem Chad Boboko no one more to me ante ba kokura na Brantia your friend say Anton Samuel one on the dika to atina dikan na no your 4th minute kura just one more shot born was ya no and our daddy the two mu na Nyasam Ketua Ghana enkunimdi atumi kwaya ya dia Inaki Williams one on the second goal to us and a Ghana benya penalty ya Jordan Ayew one shoot me bottom now him say Salisu Mohammed one no and a shot na etoso and 9 and Eric Nyama one shoot you to me de kakra eto aso na me patch game no we table no say and city the Blasters of Ghana ye ne dikan ye were 12 points afei Madagascar toso mienu one more 10 points ye Comoros atoso miensa one more 9 points and a Mali what toso and 9 or 8 points. When you say Central African Republic, Wamso Tosu enum, wawa 4 points, and after Chad, Wamso Tosu ensia, just a Wamukwa da form say Timwa, Wamu 0 pa, Yanyas and Getwama, just a Nanu Fiada Ghana, you say, and Yaman now show, Etumi Koye de my name said, no crucial game. The Blasters of Ghana, Yane Madagascar, no, when it's the players in one month, Canada, Yachas and Yaman Nada, Etumi Koye, Steven Apia, Papa William Semrebi, a chum one was Sinakai, and the mother Blasters of Ghana, Waroswa Casa, one players in wedding combo, and I watch as a Ramo Biabamu, Mosasi and Shamu Krasa, Sani Dasho, Sani Musimi Kurana Chad, Kwaboyano, and in Yano Daddy Professor, the Blasters of Ghana, Siakwaswama Morani Jinamua, Nyankrupo Yaduma Nenum, 7 p.m. and Kunim Die, ever to me, Adea.
Firstly, let me congratulate you guys for the win against Chad, and we were very, very happy, even though we knew that you guys would win. When we look at the caliber of players that we have, nothing tells us that you are going to lose a game against Chad. One thing that impressed me is the dedication and the commitment towards the game that week. I was at the training grounds on Tuesdays, Wednesday and Thursdays, and it was fantastic. But you know that the game that you played against Chad is going to be different from the game that you are going to play tomorrow, because they have a different style of play. They will come with a different strength, so it's not going to be the same. So you should put your mind towards the game. We are talking about World Cup. Most of you were in Qatar.
I was your way, Ayakakra, free waba, Adema, the Blasters of Ghana. Now, former captain Stephen Apia, Alia Tenen Kano, say Wakasa worship players in Ukraine and what you know, and now a Samuajan baby jet. One also the Kakra to us was a rare Ghana no Yankrupo ya Tomua, and Nanumre was a Kiana Kim Kunimdiano, Mutumede Banadia Bakwayana and Intali home, and it's a prayers no, Ewamuanasa Bembuaba, Wabuan who say as we bought him for fraud, baby, and New Kwasu Kunho, Adema the Blasters of Ghana was a Kwabana Sanua, Ayana Mua, I was Yenada, Yetumidi and Wisham Sanya Baya, and yet the Blasters of Ghana, and Kunim Die Ebetmia Dia.
Sompa Sports.
It doesn't matter wherever you play. You know, sometimes you can come and then your club will tell you, you have to be careful, you have to be simple, you have to do that. When you are going to a World Cup, it's the most ultimate part. We've got about 3 games to go, guys. The psychological part. Let's go 100%, guys. Let's go 100%. I want Daniel to see you guys heckling and fighting, and the result come by itself.
Sompa Sports.
Please.
Sompa Sports.
That's all I want from you guys.
90.7.
You have great players, the talent, everything is there. That commitment, a big, just small push. We'll get there. Me and my colleagues, the coach, the staff, everybody have confidence in you guys. If not, we won't be here. But the reason why we are here is just to push you just a bit, to make sure we get there. That's all we want.
I was your way, I the Blasters of Ghana, and I telling kind of former captain as Samuajan baby jet, and yet I was a players in Ukraine. San Nanumre 7 p.m. Kay, and was a one more shasem kunim die, able to me a diana patro, ya dia wotau, Naya diamanon semino, and so Ababasum.
Sompa Sports.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny.
Na UEFA Nations League no matches pinu na tumi akoso me pacho ma me fanto animo some matches a wodo anu the touch down no say na munsansam esitie Georgia akira fie ane Armenia atumi kokosi aka wi akire no ekokoye 6-1 na aggregate no aye 9-1 anya asam keto akura wonim say Slovenia wamne Slovakia boboko no atumi kokosi aka amanu yeye eno aye 1-0 against Slovakia na Iceland wamne Kosovo also to me Kosia Kanya, a real children Iceland, one share 1, Kosovo 3, Nanyasam Ketuakura, William say Ireland, one more Sunday Bulgaria, Etmiko Siakai Amanu ye, Ireland share 2, and after Bulgaria, one more so Asher 1, na Serbia, one Austria, and a Timmy Ekosia Kai, Nanono Ekoye 2-0 against you, one Mukromunano, and was what to me Siakama Bibia, Etmiko Mepacha, no, Etmiko 3-0 against Ukraine. Anya Sankato Misa Germany, one Italy, one also to me Kosia Kai, one Mianu to me board draw, Yana Yatra, Yanya Sankato, Portugal, one Denmark at me Kosia Kai, a reach Portugal, Shamakumako and Num, Denmark Eshemianu, and no Cristiano Ronaldo, what to me to Atana, Adama Portugal, Bobokono, Yana Sankato Misa Spain, one in Netherlands, also to me Kosia Kai, a reach Omianu Yanada, Equa board draw, ya Quaya 3, Ewa Hornomona. France also and Croatia etumi Sia kan eno kwaye 2-0 ya anya senketo akwampa cho ma me fanto animo say Cristiano Ronaldo sa branch ye wono ye captain adema ana sa boboko no wono akwaya upowura mu ewo Portugal wono akwaya sa so ye captain ewo honomo na eno da match etimi touch down no wonim say Cristiano Ronaldo eno wotumi she goal say bra ye ka say wo hwa sane ye wose bia swalo goal no a ni goals ni nyina da no akwakwo gina 929 99 ya watch animu so obetumi touch down na kwakwo do 1000 na say was set a record wo wiase a anya senketo na Ronaldo kro ya no me pacho ma me fanto animo say si an watimi akwakwaje award ya anya senketo na wo show the history ya eye Guinness World Record award wa waje ye no ebusua enro da na nya senketo wo kire say between 2003 abapem 2024 award no wono na kita no ya nya senketo akura me pacho yemfiri muwai na yenkwa Juventus bobokuo ni mo bunim se coach ye friend Thiago Motta Juventus bobokuo no worum no ye head coach ya wodano na Thiago Motta na chaze womode atu na nimu wom se papa ne modern bon shoni chaze won shadan koye won mo number say ye nya senketo ma wo hwe players no se de omusi bi bom modern wo goals awodo ni mu no a chaze enioma shadan koye se coach no wo betumi ye head coach na woda Juventus bobokuo no enso ano atumi amana ye na sebra ye kasai wo ma te papa ni take it dia ma no wo ma woni nkonsa sa papa no wonko ya chese won ma sake no a anya senketo ayi aye latest intelligent a chese magada e dia free Juventus bobokuo ni mo wonim se medin ka kire se no nwotwebo se ken no a ye kwode awurade asem enso tumi de brewma nioma nyina da etumi ekoyie de ma sebra wo hwe obra no a no nwotwe no aba pa ho minute no mienu on the studios of Sompa 106.5 FM abusia yadamu nyina mo sedamu ase wonim sane yadamu live wo kokuma se nature se emiame ya wodo no na nya asem keto akura afenso kura pon Facebook no na ya Sompa 106.5 FM eno achi no YouTube no na nso aye 106.5 ya anya asem keto am ya fancy jaza ya nsore so kwa ara ya baji ya ni so ane ya baji ya ni so kura wonim se abusia ya branches no edosu ye papa Kumase aya 93.1 afei takrade aya 103.3 and afei takwa aya 101.1 woko sunyane so Sompa ya damu live aya 98.9 and afei 106.1 and also so aya Tachiman Nkoranza aya 90.7 Doma 101.3 and afei Ayiko FM yes womo so touch down wo Kumase ya just one more fire new man nyina nya asem keto akura eno ye 100.9 ya chese edemu wo hono mabusua ye sore nkonya so na ye de awurade asem abra o medin ene akosua ejewa akwade Boateng ene mo fancha ye ntumi afa Facebook messages no enso ntumi ama mesom nyankropon ye adoma wo kina the same time 7:40 am ye behwe se ye betumi de new man nyina da enso ntumi aba wakwam makra
Small maramet o how ni nyina beba na wiye sabada ho pa dia menhwe ma okraman beka o netie Esmond ko Mr. ye kokodru papa mofo chetuma edi wadanse emfa hu ni babie kokko na fifiri o nipaduem ebe hye nyina se prekope afi Esmond pan na ba Mr. ye san won capsules eno no eye ntini mu adwuma waposo usisi echi babi atwetwe wo ni nyina ebe mu wagira manam so peme wo ye be ma omode mo no nso ani won paso bomode so benya adre bi ato Yichire Herbal Center e wo Yichire spiritual cream na ye nsankyerene ahodo amafo edi hu wadanse ena Yichire Herbal Bar eye nnompenu mu adwuma waposo babia Yichire Herbal Center so ye no wadra Feel Chapel International sorry fie ho a ebe public park Roman school na echi ho afi adrodwom so Yichire Herbal Center eni dwakase ne die nimhwe benya bi so to family herbal shop ena so mami route ho e wo dwafire service station ho a free Yichire Herbal Center for ahoma iso 0246 775319 0246 775319 Yichire Herbal Center di onyame kan ene bebem Yichire Herbal Center onyankopon no yarasafo
Sompa 90.7 FM.
All right. Sompa 90.7 FM. Outside Ababia Winti said when you Monday Biano, you call 21st clinic na ye no mu ekokodi nkomo Dr. Amos atrase enti ye kwe na ye nkokodi nkomo emra dog akwabe
ye mo edwuma
na pomoti sen
nyame adom ne mo mpaye ye ho ye papa
ye nyame ase enen so ye fa hen 21st clinic
meda sibebre ewo wakwanyai awde ama me wo wafidi kesie so na me fasa akwanyai so na mechia ya TF1 ne yahwefo ne wona dan ne dan nyina oba 21st clinic ebeje ayaresane ayarhwe afi penikese so akofo bai
ye nyina ye tie Sompa
obia mechiao ene adwumapa sonko a obo de boaga na man ne Nkoranza man na ena no oyobi a utai etie yen pa na ufollow yen a na wudin hyehyeye no so a wankasa be hu se eboa wapomudin because dan de nyina wonya nimudie ewo wapomudin sem ho a sometimes obe say obe tragedy some conditions bi enti nano yebeka safa spondylosis ho na yakasa spondylosis krana eyede badia na spondylosis no ne din ehuhu but eyade bi a eben ye very easy right from your neck and answer your konwachi leading to our spinal cord no back down no say whenever say spine ni mu ya all the time and
90.7 FM
no ya like you feel say ebia anka wo chinchim na obeti say mono the kind of spaces be and say moji gugra you might think say ebia wo ye na you feel okay. And is in a situation a ebia sa risk and disc na yahye na ayete se plastic bia yahye a ewo ho no spaces ewo ho no se emono spaces ni bedem na se wiwia emono wiwi na face space bedem a eno na your friend spondylosis.
Okay.
Eno na your friend spondylosis because e ba na sana the kind of what do you call it ways was a so you wouldn't get it like that one e betumi ayo say ebia adwuma bia wo koye no and I say you will feel like oh my main exercise be kakra maybe you might get the results today free ochina maybe week kono say same pains na until the pain will keep on repeating until banesa no we say spondylosis and a ways to know say spondylosis no ye abia one by taking what you call x-ray say ye twa x-ray and say ye ma wakotwa CT scan and no ne be me tumi hu say indeed o kon na lead to your spine no tembia na mo ye wo ya no is this spondylosis and I say a lumbar ridge and I say anything different. And it's when it keep on going, I won't say nipa no so no asha say or chia won't say o mu ana say or balance in that aspect of it no won't say a spondylosis no so na the air course or that kind of a dear na ya na ekofaba
ye nyina ye tie Sompa
ya ekokofa ediba no bebrebe kwa but one say ye overworking and say over sitting yet na ye kono so che and say be a wrong position of sleep say ye da kwanya ye fa so da no the position of ye nano enya obo a mattress no kwanya ye fa so position no eno so etume edeba and say ebia overtaking of antibiotics no and also etume masa what do you call it near dicks no and so every arthritis and so etumi de no ho bye den eba be shem eme etumi nya spondylosis and it's a would me now feel that kind of pains for long period of time and as a tie we ya don't keep on taking drugs and tie and numero on your own about 21st clinic then we will know
90.7 FM
by self-examination and I say yemu akwa CT scan and I say X-ray no and a bit to me who say was spine no and I say spondylosis no and I say enye eno.
Okay. Enti yahu ne saa no.
Good.
You bet me asa saa arena.
Yeah, spondylosis enye chronic infections and I say chronic diseases I bet to me aka say ebe tena honoma to say ube film no kwanya space na ba bedem Dixon but that would be a frequent visitation of the right medication when you're the right medication no and now when you're the right exercise now and the right physiotherapy your position na you wouldn't get the Dixon no all right but a bit to me I'm a wine hensi anya wo ube to me aye wadwuma said etie but it's not going to be a frequent year and at the same time ebe kwenchi pain na pain no take the right medication pain na wo yaw be brebe no and so ebe to me aye yaw no every honum if you visit the right or answer if you take the right medication but in the first clinic in Kwandia I think we can boldly and 100% tells you say you be to me abwa mother spondylosis issue no will come down and I say will go drastically
and you bet me say ebe kokora
ebeko
ebe to have say enkokora
one enkofo a omo other side conditions are omo a bit is anti-diabetic and then hypertensive and then those chronic infections already now when you become very weak in it your acute your bilateral and then your that chronic stage so when you have that chronic condition already that's affect lower vertebra now for that one it becomes very difficult say you bet to me asa but they can only be giving you exercises and then be giving you medication a be quench pain no not to end to me mawinchia free ubo se ubo honoma said the nan position etie na afede we chia kura or bend down won say afede na numu ekwa you could see that na that kind of a so when it get to that I mean chronic stage na I say do sad time na you cannot use force say ube to me as what
90.7 FM
but it's in a way say as start here unity wuti pains no kakra na say wuti frequent pains no uba 21st clinic no will give you medications and then we'll make sure say you be on physiotherapy it will go to a time ebeko but that is when it is an acute and I say bilateral but when it comes to that extent now that chronic stage now over a different condition or challenge I get it tragic no dear in fact it will be highly difficult say ebeko but due to the right medication that you'll be taking the exercises no obe won say one the pains no dear ebeko but say omu betene and say ebia ebesen so ma say obu hono ma enam say disc nis area no e mo wiwe no obu say no owapa but obu say man ne swat ya manaba fem kakra and no ka ho ne ya yankofrafo no say they get to some level bia na ne mo akwa na say na ne so asiate
okay enti symptoms no am say sisu kakra
okay
akoye say any sciatica yasa
yes it's almost the same thing it's almost the same thing but the sciatica is when the nerves is and answer abia when you have clot and answer from the waist down no nerves no more aka but spondylosis no ye kono mu ankasa dix no mu trigger and answer space baba dida nerves the saying dix ni mu into one no pains no quite different one ubon say nipa no o hade no kakra ubon say nechi no obenya very sharp pain nechi no obenya very sharp pain at that moment as no person o turning no kakra otumi nya sharp na wono because Dixon a mono I the atruga and as a mono atwist we or to me that kind of pain no and a sciatica no the pain continues but spondylosis no the pains comes timely it will more naba it will more na atiko it will more naba but the sciatica no the pain stand there a honum 24/7 until you get the right medication. The symptoms in be one say unya frequent pain o back and say ebia wachi bremono and say spinal cord in him. You might think say ulcer, you could take ulcer medication for a long period of time. It was say ujai enya ulcer your spine no there is a spondylosis over the spaces
90.7
and also the physical examination what the one that physical examine na what the one suffer ma be was a space crowded then campaign na was a space edidedem e bi mo bie when it comes like that you have to start nowhere and obi so one ma uti noisy. You be hearing noises. Said na one kazanga no you feel yourself no won't in the same you could see say kukre you feel it and then at the same time when we say wash say wo kwa and say ebia oswa say o san bafem o koto you could know say is one and na utuminya severe headache so utuminya severe headache utipayo leading sometimes it lead from one side. Normally the right side will send it now lead it to the shoulder. Then you know say spondylosis the symptoms ni bi no a sign so emma wo medical ka sharp pain and answer be electrical shock wo honoma as a show to say electrical shock no e wo mu no that is it sometimes you get numbness betumi onsanum ene onas no nya numbness titriti ebo wa burning sensations once a while once a burning sensation almost a show sometimes to frequent urination 81 any diabetes and antihypertensive from those chronic infections and when it comes like that you should know say these are the symptoms and antibiotics na yenum ni bebrebe ni what do you call painkillers normally those things there MY. So 21st clinic ya be ye pronomo ya say so when you are facing such challenge and then so what's our problem in Kwadia over to will give you the right medication ya bem wecha CT scan then we will know say indeed no and say ya bem wakwa X-ray the X-ray will determine will know say sometimes will be betumi akotwa X-ray no obeba no obo say ne Dixon emuna yi Dixon said the SCC spaces no abem dodo. And when it happens like that, the person need massage. We hear exercising. We hear na judidie. When I say what kind of position of sleeping, no so was sano. Kwanya ya faso da fa konano. I was yes sano. Ebanesa MY spine. Normally to Nkrofo almost so. Or based in those kind of microphones are painful no so they also have that kind of complaint in tina bones are painful most of the time no bones woman sanity no they are dying they are feeling that kind of pain
90.7 FM
what is happening in Kwandia to 19 bra 21st clinic na 21st clinic yen djuma die you started from Monday to Saturday. Okay. What do you call it? 7 o'clock. And up I started a juma till 5 o'clock. No so into Sawutim can now we a victim of what I'm saying. And apart from no so any condition at all condition for bia when him say how biana just come to 21st clinic. Ebiana wa 5 fro and now say infertility issue. I want him wa ware ache uno partner who can you can come to 21st clinic ultrasound scanner who do laboratory investigations and now say mismatching of diagnosis if your diagnosis no kwanya ya mismatching no over 21st clinic in Kwandia you be to up to into the right medication na bibinti na won to me 21st clinic number ya misi sui ubetumi afre yen yebeba aba behwew anase ope ya kira kwan so a okọ new marketer uduru presby for omo bank na ye no omo na di animhwe nana abro sign ni mo just adjacent to the traffic light no hono mu na ye wo a ye di endwuma apart from Sundays all the days no ye adwuma enti ubetumi afre yen wo 0544 66 44 10 0544 66 44 10 say obanko ade ya 21st clinic ye be ye de betumi aye bia make sure say obegina wanamo so enti am fa duro ebra wonte onipadua ase ana say wante onipadua ase a wonte wayaresa so ase enti atwa say wote onipadua na ase before so meaning was say investigation should do you know your diagnosis before taking your medication nyame enhira ye nyina
onhira also enti we Dr. Amos Efe 21st clinic aswe na obaye enti yentie we na yemra metwaso na wo hene daso ewofia yentie we
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji se 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho
Nkoranza ye ne Presby Bank ne di animhwe ye ben Children's Park Techiman ye wo Enkane GN Bank Dynamo ye ben police station no wo sunyan kwan so ena Kumasi ye wo Ahwa overseas ye ben Alpha Radio ana Timber Market Freyen wo 0544 6644 10 21st clinic ana
wo mu ye sciatica expert
Brokejo medase Tobi mu atu na papa be ho na ase ni edie me manu a wo kire me say me fa won ko Brekum Star Senior High School staff sec
yes na wo mo wai
paninu wo university first year e na kuma no so through form 2 e wo Brekum Star Senior High School wa
pandina na wudi na tem se ni trewu a me kan se ko yini free school dada no mu na fa no ko Brekum Star Senior High School no
ani waye exams no cho twa yi ace no kuma no so abia mo hye
na me anya mwangu if it's a qualified and experienced graduate teachers here wo wadaje na wo chere students ade e wo ho no una so abon said there kura obeben
Brekum Star Senior High School
courses ni general arts general science business home econs hwanso ye waye exam center won students ni p etwako universities nursing training any college of education admission gusu se sia ya ye kase
staff sec
admission forms e wo radio station have wutie yai e de bin school no campus e day and boarding we nye double track sembia regular one ye nim ya bia faka free Brekum main station ekwa campus ho anafa brenya kwa road no
energy 7 say SHS1 e free and what yes you for from 2 and from 3
awo form free 0243 643 251 and 020 914 9762
Brekum Star Senior High School
Christ our strong tower
penny out
nyema obi wo ha hwe a won sini dada mu bie
Sompa
FM idi omudwa nam se Adea san onti mfanto no ho mfan kofie na bank so apon no bi 10 billion bi 20 billion ne ade ni nyina hye na ohwe social media sikai 20 cities ne 50 cities ne 200 cities ne ahye sa hye na omoniema so asan hye ka ho na say the mekan no nene nam framam say so mo krakra stores no omo ye ni si sa man ye kama na omo di dwa ho no be yo free not mo for say ye fan to be anim say entisa omo an be yo madwuma IGP fofra say omampani di no aba ye fe no Christian tete yonu o say posi for omo promotion ne omo wefe bi ho nsensema ada ho ache no ni wabe obehwe no de niema atutu yi na
nyina ye tie Sompa
mami ti o kakre sa wa wi adwasafo
aine
obi ma message say am say adwasafo nana wo hen darling ni darling lawyer
but I think say the solution about a party for the no
party friend
aine on say asembia wo said ya yisika no
yeah
asembi wo hoye so hena no asembi wo so chiame ano letter no a general secretary twere ye no akoye se okaso the letter no ye adwuma then it raises constitutional issues
ye wo bi mu ho a mo kasa yetimi mo letter
and na America no say
and I depend
assembia ne said you see e can
yeah
because ye kase ye hwe nea ye to abawi
90.7 FM
all can sama identity mu be banka general secretary ne can first no na call radio so first ye to abawi ye can say na nado dan kwaku for da so den
yeah
ye tunufo na wontie wo akokan wie adwasafo so ka bia wo se ona de nti ye nchechero nti media meme say yen freno
okay
na yen ka na
party mpanimfo no bi
freno
Dr. Bawumia yankra betima freno
na yen ka sama na kuma beto ne because he said they are all yen nyina no out of pain because feel say ya gu nanim ase enti no nanim gu ase na mugu ye no so a antimi anso aba bia ne anam gu nanim ase de apɛ no antimi anso aba seat a ono timo rene over 50,000 over 30,000 margin na mo beje ya 50,000 kura mo bre enti no it means say akonya wono wakita ma MPP for so long a time no mo di ntura beje akonya na akoto atwene say what I say advance of which no obi ntie no na no so kan no sabe adwene wo mu a party for no fa ebeboa wo mo wahunu how can you be a referee in your own court, in your own game? Oh, yeah, then, oh, Bobby. MPP for say, Yakwa about also Yatua Barry and Sambia CC, especially certain constituencies in Sambia or say, Yadi and Idia Chile. Constituencies a team Rene Cassibit said Domekwa Binya, Nipana or take committee, no, so, Nebaye deeply involved. How credible now Jesus are I will be taken into consideration say or advance or person the banner that and the banner besen ya babiem into know what kind of report no better have an banner home well into know ideally zenon person or more fair assessment that committee no Professor Michael Quay ne nu kwanso ono na nkomu yi ni say chairman for that committee because we are deeply involved about the speaker elections now. Well, now
say there one who am speaker no tuti aye no.
No, say omunya hunu ye.
I just have come.
No. Say obi antumi nkyere because ye ballot no nyina akragu asesi a.
O say akwande say akwana we ballot paper na say.
Carlos Ahenkra.
O say omu bono pa na o yes.
O say Carlos okura nko we papers no bia. Na nko mbe kan ya ba na wie no. Nka nipa bebro 10 every MPP for afamu a. Nko mu nyina aba no ekoba ben ho ndi Carlos ade oye no it was a strategy and one say in fact speaker aba ye to ye no yankan aba no abamba be aba no yankan consensus and odi speaker no
because do maybe no or foka kura just susu no.
That is it. And according to Adwa Safo no, kokos no nyina koye say Michael Queen nye popular among even MPP for nankasa kura mu. Enti no say ye po obi di na ko speakership a looking at backbone ne pedigree yempe obi on ne backbone boti pen. What do I say? In terms of why ye Juma chair as member of parliament, in terms of MPs no nim no
what parliament work right
names it is a papa who so command nyina ba up for consideration. Emma they assure them say omo be den leadership no ene the executive no be share now omo share the way forward. Then message came say President Akufo-Addo say nipa we no betin na ye adwuma. Tin. Wo hu na metro no. Enti no ekoye say 90.7 FM at the caucus meeting na wo mo can say maybe let us say goodbye to Professor Michael Quay. Na yemfa nipa from mra no ye koto abane they are perceive say yesusu say wo mo na nto abana ma backbone. Enso ebetimi aba say deep within them no kora nipa do no a enando typical example here time na omo ka say Ken must go no wow MPs about 80 of them ekatro say ye change finance minister na ye constituency and nkrofo ekani ye the finance minister we toaso ye adwuma ye kwa abato e belusu omo tena hwa man nkrofo for me omo adwene wie ye ansa na mbe yi finance minister that are too late. And the address I would on your show, none in a MPP for girl egu. Because or a Ghanani,
okay,
young for party 17 chain. You're good anima say, or Nason ding. Even at a time okra, ye de chartered plane, a cocosi hose on from Mara, Ghana, no me or Messenco Parliament, Krano, address of us all ma. Bepem ne, ye can say. One who so be to me produce the plane, the flight number. Na flight benya. Na when a chatter at what cost and whose cost? Say kase and then I make say obi infra was because
90.7 FM.
That time no was at Wasafon the only MP no all outside Ghana na. So all the MPs are that are no more outside Ghana no. Omo for chartered play mo bia.
I say Drew baby no ne kana na akoyedin. Omo hia no pa.
Kwame, let us give a dog a bad name and hang it. Sa situation be na address avoko no because onipa bi person ne baba. Enti no ye mo mrante be say ye mo gumbe e wade enu mu. Ye nko say address afo poto. E wo constituency no mu. And munim pefe so say sa constituency no address for hoden was soro and is in the address for kasana ba konso ni o ye to aba no wie ye no MPP for blame ni say one fan hwanje campaign no munti e no mo lusu
campaign dey so fan
na obi a momo say ono nye ndi yemfa de ye mmara no ono na betima ye campaign mama we ne logic be ni
because according to report cry me saka na che say Christo asafo no sa taifa fo no area ho no dodo na nkoto aba.
That is the point.
Ono so ye ne papa
so going into election no you consider all these factors. In the MPP for should learn lessons from Wemu say edu prime minister ho na MPP for ahwe ase wo edu prime minister omunya hwe ye pa omo kasa mu omo niema mu eto da bia mo ma ye nhwe sika delegate benya nko a delegate benye sikanti na teacher and nursing trainees omo abasobo bia omo ho sesei eno omo beba future nyina no omo aseda bia mfa na John Dramani Mahama ase.
Okay,
this is the kind of amamua yepe. In the case of MPP mo say NDC etwa allowance mu you restore Obe restore allowance. Na allowance no be call arrears. Be 3 months, 4 months. No monsa nyankan ye no. Even though arrears no betua, but emma ye hu the beauty of arrears no. the allowance no when na me chro no because you obi wo ho a
90.7
one cedi ene jasu de ayade wanya one cedi na niema be say ene ne nsa nka one cedi no chena okoma ne 20,000 kra 20,000 value nim mfaso ni so because bia na nye 20,000 ohia one cedi ayade ene jasu ya wa mane nsa nka ne ebesa ya say ya wie o chena ma ne 20,000 a ohunu 20,000 so mfaso enti no the strategy President John Dramani Mahama de aba allowance no tuamu no ebema sika no payment no ebema yenya regular income ya de betua because all say ebefa controller na betua at the time yentua salaries bia wo mai mu no nti ebema eno no aye regular ebema eno no ba be yi arrears every honor we na me chiro no ebema eno no nso aba be ya yi say ebeye secure ebeye secure so what it then means and say allowance no yentwamu biem say aba be something like abeye permanent thing bia ebeka ye colleges of education nursing training colleges no ehon so for me say na ye bobra
na me can say we presentation bi wa efa sika
ayene
year
sure
ye di allowance
ekọ
I'm say training college ne ya anya nursing ni mi onu
basically na ni nyina abom
na ni nyina na sika mu dupa na mama ya naga so ye friends Haruna Dusu e di behwim ye kra na edi ho nkomo say omo say sisi especially training college no what's training college sisi ababa ye 4 years
say tertiary a degree
until which is 4 years no mo kono 84 years no omo beji allowance na anasa aye 4 years ni ti omo beji adurumre bi na omo de academic tuition no abekan no ho na na what dem person no because e no na kwa tertiary akwa ye ti so obi ko university enti so omo de sand omo no allowance ne san be mo omo a na I don't get it mentias ye
well Kwame ne tie ne say sa allowance na omo tua no aba be ye a necessary evil ewo ye setting mu because of elections say MPP ni NDC for no nyina no wo mo ama eye sa allowance no aba be ye an albatross ade bia esen wo mo kon mu wo mo yi a
90.7 FM
ko na ko yi na hwe
allowance no kure mu ampa no kure nyame ni nipa anim now the status wa colleges no aduru no e wo sanka yitwa allowance no mo no kure pa e wo no sanka yitwam but o ma apoliticize ade na kopem say aban bia wo betwa sa ade no mu no you be in trouble politically an election time wo be in trouble eno na akwa it say free SHS and this aban wo say owura John ama aban onya free SHS obetwam pa but the politics around it nti otwam na say wom asamaba ontume enti I was say ye dodo no enti o maba no the same thing applies to allowance no impo January or February ho baby education minister can say omo dey an enhanced student loan every warm in place of a year allowance no and the president also say afedi ekura the good news is controller and a betia if controller and a betia e say abeye bibi like permanent even though e betima year free ho but in the foreseeable future there abeye permanent because in the next 4 years
president mama de nanum kasa na waka ne mre bi dada nyina ne say ono de obema omo loans
ayene
na omo de akọ school no ayene now I expand ayinimu because MPP omo some quota bi nti especially nursing training
sure
say for 400 but say for 200 nti ono de oba o 2016 o kan sanse me bebre nti te say dey wo kan akoye politics e be wure mu nti
and eno na ma e kan ho bi na ma 2016 omo lose akonwa enti no coming into 2020-2024 elections they have to do the analysis. Now we say, okay, in reality, the ideal and it's but in reality, in practice, this is what the people want. And elections, so the economy and nipanope.
Yes.
Sometimes I debi oha in here, but the popularity of it and
the corner the
ayenuntino e wo se udi agire sa entino say omuni option bia dan say omampani say afedie kra no controller and a betua
because he say need the controller na etua de na it said the woken I say about transfer no
about transfer say abaye institutionalized aban bi aba nyame ansra untumi nyimfiro
David na untumi nyimfiro
sana ebeko
si say wo abaye firo
what it means is say aban bi awo the corners a utumi pesika free but see ya ya no former ya de fa controller no ebema government compensations a otua ne bosome bia no ebeko soro eno ano no and sikano koso so don't forget Margaret Thatcher was a politician promise wa niema mienu kwan mienu obetima afa so afofele promise no either say or the toa kese beba ana say obekwa akobo besen ubisa me dia anka in this day and age nursing and teacher training allowance enye necessary bi e was nka yetwam but of course the political and the election clout wa yede abata honu ntino abeye an albatross essence am your phone
and I'm news in the in fact e shock me kakra because what you president means be o kan atwam a ma nye nimpo say or say what the fuck controller say wa man ade no kwa ye fedo do aye kama kura chen agugu
say only option bia because sana NDC for MPP for timi a hype ade no akwa akoduru say
because 2024 election some people before the campaign
and about betwem and they prove a point am o mahunu say on twam no no kora no or ye ni ye esen said the na MPP for ye no enti abeye one of the issues it's difficult say aban bi betumi aka say o ye firi ho u betumi ayi bibia nsi ba politically u be suffer because that constituency of nurses, constituency of teacher trainees on beto about yaw
90.7
because omono ye beneficiary of that policy whether it is popular or not omono ye beneficiary enti no o attempt ya sa constituency no on beto aba e de etiaw eno na ama ya ye koyanim no ba mi minyae de anka ye ntwam but I also think say emro Ghana ya hoden so
but say economy no
economy no de Kwame our politicians are not telling us the truth
no kurene wo hono monka
and this MPP nyina they are not telling us the truth nienta me kan sa ne say it is true ye nya tax tia ye guso ye tia tax but niema kese a MPP NDC so omo beye in 2025 yi se foundation no ni ho a within 3 months where you cannot do niema kese na omo beye no it means say omo beto a foundation bia na ya lay eda honom but for political expediency they will denigrate, they will demonize abina wetwemu no say MPP and this is no free na MPP buy ya ka the same thing and common so buy that's why I'm saying
2071 10 sama President Kufuor
yes
MPP for kind
that's why I'm saying they are not telling us the truth the realities on the ground no when you come to tell us economic figures and inflation that say GDP that say way that say that is fine that is for the books but in practice in reality what IMF current one ya woman ya kwa ye maximum 3 billion 3 billion. By yenhwe expenditures binuma yeye. And sa expenditure no. Yenye yadwen say ye save. Na yenhwe how much ye betimi save the taxpayer. Na yenhwe sanka ye hia IMF wa. We don't need IMF, but it's because we don't have leaders in this country. Omaye ready say the political will. Bema ye eduma. President Mahama
90.7 FM.
Obe reduce ministers no. Obey way. Yes, in terms of the nominal figures, ministers 30 something or they are about 23. It is true or they are about. But go and look at 2025 budget.
Okay.
2025 budget sika aban yi spend eso sene omo kro omo se omu sa omo ka sika omo spend eso sene MPP na yese omo dose omo sika na omo spend. So on say that these are the technicalities wo ha or the number na biri wani so say oh number no MPP kura na wo minister do say NDC buy no omo ateso de aba say it is true omo ate number no so. But how much is involved? Sikase ne wom. Yeko yechi ekohwe MPP ministers na yenti bi mfiri so no eka na yebo wo mo ho ena yeti bi firi so no eka yebo a ne ayati bi afiri so no yebo ka chen ne na yenti bi mfiri mu na it also say they are only joking with us in terms of nominal figures na yate so but expenditure the cost to the national exchequer no who are we deceiving? So but good things are not always beautiful. Yeah, brophobia ye can I say madare no. But be as it may no. Nye niema ehre no ni nyina na toda eyesika. But toda bi aye Ghana for no enema ehre no ye di akire. Ministers no yes ye better so. Share. Ya boy ensem. But yet so no at what cost? And only ye misa at what cost no ye misa no. Wo na mechero no. Ndi ye betimi ate so. Wo ye betimi for example, wo betimi aka say me expenditure so. Inti going forward. Minkita phone mienu 100 phone bia ba ku bia ye bia 1500. Me no make it and buy 3,000. There's a me expenditure so into minkita sa phone me no. But me akwa iPad and my friend saying sister we
90.7 FM
iPhone bia iPhone ba kono e betimi ato Android no buy 9. You know unya nkate expenditure in terms of phone me no be kita no na wate so but won kate expenditure. O expenditure kwa fe na akosoro enti no media I'm only saying say sika wo ye man mu enti o mampani say obema eye controller atua allowance na I am all for it eye yentua na yemfa mo na say yes yetua de na yetua because method is forward assembly o go say if it must be done it must be done well. What I say, ndi ya say ye tua allowance there yenyi yeyem na yentua ni ye na ne ebema yetima tua ni ye no eno ne omampani Mahama aye no say controller nti arrears no eto betwa eno mbenye omusika no so time a ewo say omunya ndi ye mo omampani aba so for that score why are there because for me nia obeto ye no wapejam e de konanim or the bibia beka ho ama ne konanim a going forward no eno betime aboa yen okay and on the police promotions no say IGP awabai onu na no ye deputy de ma yohuno
odema
dampare onsusu enraise the expectation of the officers. Niente America say onsusu raise omo expectation and say there are uncrophobia or procedure no more. Omo pe promotion during dampare time omo sanka. Nano omuyi dampare wo ho no they were jubilating.
Yes, omu bosses
ene they were jubilating in your name. What's about be show omo boss say obe promote omo knowing very well say you don't have that power. When unisa to me no IGP to me award to promote obi from constable to the highest chief inspector. A honor IGP betima promote obi akwa. From there senior officers no ko nyina ASP COP DC one commissioners no. It is the president, by extension the government of Ghana and o promote wo. Enti no their IGP betimi aya ne say obetimi recommend o waduru chief inspector no obetimi aya ne say obetimi recommend say bia police college no kotre senior officers exams no bi na me wado na wo pass a then president a commission wo na waba be a commissioner of police. So what you say that is the maximum IGP can do. And now Oshe from Omo rank na yafa prosia 18 months probation. 18 months no uda suba money bia dia yebe yiwadi.
Etimi yiwadi
efiri adwuma no mu. Ucha 18 months no wia na ya jewatum se police constable na wa share adwuma na say. Obeye adwuma na 4 years na promotion aba. Then it means that mo constable no mo be graduate aba mo anim se corporal se de mo rank no ma mix no na mo free constable no na mo ba mo anim. Then another 4 years na mo ba ndi sa promo no de IGP betim de amamo abesi the chief inspector level no. From hono mo ko nyina no it is a president and obetimi ama and a promotion no nipa omutimi ye promotion e wo prosimo no the police council IGP kan ho bi no omo na be recommend o de ama council na president and e be recommend say yema officer we onko join officers course no onko ye officers course no bi mra ansana ya den ya promote no okoba enokra okwa ebinu kotre exams no faili wohunu ndi ye mayenye practical example ye Nkoranza police station hey ye wo chief inspector and chief inspector na se no ye wo inspector wo ho inspector no she chief inspector na se and I say officers exams aba officers exams na ye kwotro ye no inspector na ko pass chief inspector na ko faili Inti ofelia or sanya ba ni chief inspector na o gina na ansa na kwotro exams no or sanya ba ho no ma inspector no ana wono she chief inspector na say wono atwere awa pass ye no it means say wono ye be promote no nti oba be ye e bia cadet officer na ne keka ho wo senior ranks no e ko no oba be ye bi on to me sign man Nkoranza police station ha because at this time no oba ono ye senior rank but the senior rank officer so I was saying answer na walk on that so it may be the best they can do is say a transfer e ko baby station for wohunu edi omade no entrekese bebre wo enye straightforward and a police no a structured institution and at a pyramid no so in pyramid esi ho ase no so e kosoro na emwa ekosoro na emwa ene ye fe no pyramid no enti no omo start ya constable ne corporal ne lance corporal ne ba bedru chief inspector no ho de omugumu cho na omo free ho eko senior officers no mo no na aye no pyramid no emwa
ne bi mu titi
na sesi akra me checks am here I'm sure say ye wo 18 officers be your horses here. They all qualify to become IGP.
Okay.
18 officers. Or money now qualify to become IGP. And a position also ye back up. What would I mention? No positions in a year back up. Enti se obi konya IGP for dampare say nyanyame ena aya adom ama aban asesa enti na ya asesa no a ni age no obedi IGP more than be 10 years ansa na wa retire nti se wudi na chi a wan hwe ya wo age kura no wo age kachewa wo be retire na dampare da so ewedo na onya retire nti COP yohunu it is good so be promoting crop but on manenye asive say ye boss say eja dampare kwanti ono aba no obetima ye bibia at a go ye wo ne level a obetima ye edesi
say attachment committee no okan wo ho amanfo
nyina ye tie
COP na
Alex Mensa
okaje say watratra amanfo promotions no okaje nyono na ye promotions no
David
dampare kan
no na ye
osinyo na ye
and especially promotion na etra chief inspector no na ye sa commissioners of ayin nyina the president of the republic and intia omo pass out wa president e commission wo no so they become commissioned officers and a process so no usuku awako yemfanya adwuma e kan ho de eboawo ye wo kwan mienu a obetima fa awura mu say bia when we say ye enlistment odo certificate akọ na wakọ akọwura waye bibia na ya foul na ya enlist into the you know ena ye wo bi nso a wo mo de profession any degrees any wura mu no wo mo no wura mu a they don't come and start
90.7
me madam for ba ku bi kra super okuta degree do di wura mu
ayene
okọ ahoma na ye 3 kra kan say oye sergeant oko sergeant street
yes omo de degree any other profession ewura mu no omo no they don't be start as constable omo start ahead into no say wo e bia utimwa na wa upgrade wo ho saa you cannot say wa upgrade wo ho saa nti e wo say automatic ye promote promotion no ye when there is vacancy say vacancy wo hosa yem promoting crofo a ene ye promoting crofo eno achi no promotion no say wo process adwuma mu na e bia pese wo upgrade wo ho na unya promotion a e wo say wo ma adwuma no ma process adwuma no mpanifo no ye ma go ahead say go on a steady leave go and steady na bra na uwia wabodi na benya no yenyina so promote u eno no ebasa no a se nipa 10 na ye promote omo a because omo na clear wonti no ye do be kan ho but for your own good wa upgrade wo ho wenya Dr. Hwan Professor Hwan na se nye police administration na ma kwan say upgrade wo ho to for promotion a why you there but you will not be promoted. Enti no sana ade no etie enti IGP yamana kwaba ba on lower the expectation of a year and about promotion or promotion so loan service eka ho loan service o subampa
okay
obi a wadi process ache na wosan wo subampa pa no eno yetimi hwe ho eno kra makwa na ya recommend o IGP hwe na se oya obetima recommend wa mampanifo say oh megidi ye say nipa sumasi say the wasi di ni process abedu sa bre no ye man kwan na okoye officers course no bi na oba obeye a good officer for the service and no sa recommendation to me bana wako ohunu that is the maximum IGP can do for you owie enope ni aka nyina the president of the republic and obe commission wo amwa be commission officer intino enya de a straight jacketing eda ho intino bia na munyina mwadurum pempen so a mutumi ebo mutumi di IGP mani yeye se na anu adampare ko ye nkrofo be hyase alobe on be lobby ebe wiase no ba ko pe na ebenya indi se wote ho nipa no ko pensioner eno an se mote ho And answer mo to ho banka ade bi anka me pese police for no e de ye adwuma deputy IGP no Ghana yen hyeda mfa nya adwuma yen hyeda mfa nya adwuma the first time I did deputy IGP ye adwuma IGP Owura James Oponboa nu ebra obeye IGP no ono I think say ono before then kra no ono ye deputy IGP enti nipa ne IGP retire no na ono ba aha yes retire no ono ba be from deputy IGP to IGP me person ka police for no use eno ye adwuma say omo de ye adwuma ra ebema yenya IGP na yenya deputy IGP then in that order no then the seniors no ebe follow commissioners no obe actually sa in this IGP no retire na akwa ye say nka deputy no na ya promote no na the next in line no ono so be deputy na nka ye promote omo saa ka ebe mo ahunu omo anim dan say ye jai omo saa enti no IGP no twa na I say me qualify we qualify in the hana politics no ba mu no say uni political connection yemfa emma and the last rank me can say the last ranker proceed for I think say obetimi fight enya wo proceed adwuma mu the commissioner unya commissioner I think say na the last rank IGP no the take home rank
and COP commissioner of police DCOP no
deputy commissioner of police
na fe oba COP
and the over ho there now
commissioner of police ni there wo ho a utimi IGP
ane inte IGP ni dey take home position and the unya duru IGP there na wo nine esekwan so enti ye na o mo say na say me hunu dampare dey say dampare well I think so hwe ni age na nko nu retirement
dampare nu
enti say ye yi nu
obasa wa adwuma mu
as what former IGP
say former IGP
or that's all active service
anti ni COP hona also office will be
okay
police ni dey say dey am kan nka omo police service no ana police council na no komo betima yo mo hihye yo aye jama aban point sure
yes it is good proceed din abatere ye dey proceed abatere proceed ni bia uboni din na wanfa ne rank wa no
security service no crowd ni gina sa
ye din abatere and you know and ye adusuan kakra anope ye de bae no
enti ye be ma manfo abamu kakra ye osima kakra ansana ye be kwa akoton ade no nkron aba pa osima edu miensa 13 after 9 ye be lines na tum Adea Akye Abia so ni 0598994994 you go so na obetimi afre na so de wode aba beka ho ye be lines na tum ye din kan be first no na lines no higher drain pa but minim sesi atomo a obetimi afre na so de wode abeka ho MTN 0598994994 Sompa FM na Vodafone na Telecel 0502057003 into fra now the aba but mamen ka say 21st clinic the sciatica expert and ekutamo denden dia ye de Adea Akye Abia dwumade ebrewo Sompa 90.7 nti say the die kanu say who say o to ase ho ne nkotodwe o sere ho eba o na fom ho no ewiwo e wo ya pa otimi say sciatica ya reni bi na wo enya no ntentem na tutumika eko 21st clinic na kono mo nhwo omo ensoso hu tu ase kra edema nti na de bia ka se omo na sciatica expert ko na wonhwo no achi no say stroke diabetes pressure afi wuti na ya yarewa horo bebiri na wosa nti okwa obeboa na osuso watimi ade ho afiri aremu na 15 branches na wo Ghana ha nyina wo Nkoranza de Open Children's Park no woni Presby Bank no
ye nyina ye tie Sompa
054 0540-311-311 omo na so yase a yede Adea Akye Abia adwumadi ebro enti yegusu na obetimi afre na onso so de aba ewo adwumadi so ofra yebefa number no 0598994994 0598994994 and 0502057003 yeah has a line na tum dia. Hello, good morning.
Simon Adwuma.
Okay, Alaji Pacho ohoye de.
Adwuma de Nyankopon de wayo na famu de kamino mi no. Inshallah, ni hoye.
Yo, yede nyame ase yanko.
Adwuma mbeda se what na ni sa akonye. Adwuma o se Ghana ya no. Mu sancho fo mutumi nya akonya ema mu ni sa ni panishia. Nti sa akonya wo hotama ese o kanin sa na mu ba bisin sa asam no. Mun nyamre se yehu bi o se senwu. Yesa mudi sa asam krono ade bati se ye na mu emmobo hu abramunya konya a ese senka mu bisa sa panin no ise owa yini no wa ka senni he president Mahama ka sa obati minister no so nan tisuo no no costa e bako ho no mu ampa misa kisa mudi bati se ye na mu mmobo hu a kan mai na e ba san she president Mahama e ba bisa ninsen Sompa FM no penso the assembly but you Quran so bisa sam Quran no mu dia tem but mu dia nkamu wa kwanya se mutumi bisa na sama president Mahama ka say it's a training allowances nursing training allowances so the court controller ohono no owa yinem kaza nin ka se mu kire se wonyan ka obatim ne che se amemin o digina so eje to no ikanya na kuma so when it affects the medical school, say allowances eco controller. A year salary na say a year allowances. Or one time, Misa. It said to me, you see, would be some controller. Now you're pregnant, say, you call the criteria, you sit a beer and through controller neighbor. And the school so agency and I say yes. Controller. Ever me Alaji dim. You go school ya. You better me dear through controller na say a don't na by na perform boy a chrono.
Oh, there is who go school no. When I would just allowance no. Who ya say we into within him beam. You be here from.
And no na me can say or hold na by no person or person or mobile chrono. Some 40 ya work say. Omudiwo akatia nwuma mu no enya sama wadansa na mpomo dinye ko uwie yete yidi na mfirimu a saa sika no ko bi no mbotom ono no mpan hu no so ya kasa sama nyesa na wadansa na mpomo ite se salary because allow us to control that ya actually no salary enya allow us bio. It is a school that is another experience.
90.7 FM.
Mahama young Kumay Alaji Baruko didn't say, well, this as can I be used one. Okay. I can meet in the womb. No more for the book of my no chrono. Which you may know. Excellent. But you need to be on your car and moon from say, we did a present Mahama. Ya uyan san kiyanna to ka so bisan sa wai abon no obama ya bo
Dabi
ya bin mu yetene bisan
Alaji Dabi Alaji me bo ai sa obama obi abo de minim se Ghana ha president Ben okobisa na sama ama obi abo ene de Mr. Adawuruma inka obetime yefiri mama me anka mani beje because me say nsentwene okobisa sama say president say obama obi abo no
It's a we are, because no woman says, and you say, you're not that my desire.
And I'm a say, so what could be a question? Sir President say, what be a question to him? No, move be abo. I know they say, Ghana had a bean seeder.
It is only say, and this in time I'm running, Juma.
I'm right to say,
I'm right, who are Ghana.
I didn't know.
I didn't. Central Bank of Ghana governor. Why not national security board is here on them?
Alaji, yes, I know the deputy attorney general say omo de warranty koye nti maraso say we be di o man so no isusu say ebia wa disika na bibisa yetimi ba warranty nya ban we pen so nko a bebre
me do ati
Alaji yada say am say ye bre no kra so nti ma ye na wase ye mfa we. Hello, good morning. Beba cho odi ni bebia.
Tie Sompa.
On sent me. Okay. Ebre no kra ai bia no nti dana ye beto ade kakra ohun na ya page mu.
Right.
Na yakọ nti Alaji Bayero go say allowance na say ye kwa akọji no banga ebe ya beda so ya allowance ana ndo ebe ya salary.
In fact, edin no da so say ye allowance. Near bia whether a salary or your allowance or a sika they receive. Na babia ombe receive sikano na ebe secure na accountability ebe tumi akomu pepe pa ma yehunu no. I think say controller no be easier than any other source. Ye de bema wo mo no. Enti no. Yes, a allowance.
By allowance because minimum wage, you know, and being no in your pay.
A allowance.
And a allowance.
But ye tria for controller. That's fine. Send a man say or mine. A allowance, but ye tria. Ediafa. Esan the ye tria through mine sika muntino. Ye tria dia for controller. And no kohwa sa PVs no payment vouchers no. Nina be show say. This number of allowance, this number of people. But the questions now will be legitimate. At what point? And I be exit or more school no free or more but Nina you to me.
I know dear say. Okay, they all can there. Ghana they eating baby. Say Nancy NSS for a ghost name Ghana there. But nyame adawroma. Say Ghana card no. Yana say a heading. Say be who ghost name baby. To say first no. And then kwaso pa. Nana education. GS. E ho na kan kra. Ghost name papa bi no kroma. Sa goes name what did do sa education ban na wo but nyame ado Ghana
card no buy into no I say inde ye nana say ono so a contribute na dwen ama ye nya bi ka minim say going forward no all these questions are bisa na ho explanations ebeba modalities no be kire ama ye hu no yeah. All right enti ye kan sa de na ntentem so a ye mohwi ye nko etwa so ebinum ye wo lent mu baby ana wo lent no ene unimu sorry say wo ne wanye fasting no bia so ye nkramo fasting ana Christopher de no say wanye bia ene na wakai say obekọ perfect kitchen wo ma sam nyina ne say aduane pa ede enti say udidi a na wadi aduane pa wo ye adwuma na wotwe mu nyina juada kopem kwesi ada aduane bia bi wo ano pa no wotwe kopem na to duba kon okọ ha ubenya aduane adi de ani je ne say na me nwura hoda o na no na me ne unity call ho omo hall kese wo ho obetima tena se adidi na se changes omo de ba ho plasma tv ne ade omo de bebobo ho nyina ene kura eye abrochire matches na omo boboi enka ne Ghana Blasters wo match say obetima akotena se na waje waduane na wudi na hwe Blasters for match no bi ne nyina ma perfect kitchen and pub ho ye kama pa chen kwansa ha baby ade me pa cho frɛ wo 020 961542 020961542 why junction so ha ofiri VRA office na waduru ho
ye be kwata abia herbal mixture ho na afi no ehu de ye dida yerba bebo hen nti no de ye nya nduru bi na ye de wusu ye
90.7 FM
na tabia products no ye wa tabia zaneke tabia herbal capsule na tabia takum tabia zaneke no mba no owufru wona yimfie wo kama owufru woni mpeduo mo wo ye obasima nkasa na afes no tabia product ni nyina se ko herbal shop na chemical shop a ebenye bi na ato from 0243 686 861
Who knows tomorrow? Na so na medri e kan who knows tomorrow o se hwan na be yira china na che se dodo no a enei mu tie mi no na me call de amamo nti tie mi ene se who knows tomorrow say wanya yie na opesika de aya e 300 million okopem 200 million eno na wodema nti so de ma de koye yi ana de beto ba bi e dapa kama eno achi no so wanya yi na ope ambulance sai bi na wode akofa wode share de na kohye eye mortuary ana se o kofa na firi ho e de na ba abedida na ni nyina mu no o cars e wo ho aboko akofa na de na ba aba be siesie ni kama ono abeji ayi no asini bo aye esan se ene se ka obi a oye ayi ma ayi eye akono de a na who knows tomorrow wo so wanya wode na opem kunwa ope canopies ene ne ekeke ka ho a oba obema obi sonko na ode akoye waye ama atimi ayefe who knows tomorrow say men kan kire o say ono na ekwa akoye yie no a emfa ho ni ba bi a ofiri oba sa sika no enka ho ono abefa ka no nyina na kakra bi na obejewo na atimi aye waye no ama na ayefe efiri bra okoyi na free mortuary ede na ba abede da no atare a ode be hye no chese bibi biara aduane service bibia obeye de amount sempo uhia ne nema no so a ono a de be mawo na ode akwakoya obeji sika kuma bi uwi a ode
nema etie sompa
egu who knows tomorrow say owo Nkoranza nkwaben na ne number obetimi de hu no eni 0249113999 0249113999 ana 0246928247 na oni no edi nkomo
Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center Dr. say Nedwe watena se na wotwe we nyina oye adwuma won kwansan de hyeman fa anisubidi akoma yade atipaye fa ne nyina ebre no na onsa yade no emfama ahaban kasa ote enti no frɛ no 0249 761508
Kwebis Educational Complex or Nkoranza New Magazine Techiman Kwana Dohara. What's the way courses speak to the general arts, home economics, business, and science. I face no what the crèche no quarter for no 2 years.
90.7 FM.
Close 2 years in na what you want mamma ball or 2 years no be fear. Bro for no more in Yalgor. May come for Kwebis Educational Complex Medemo. What's a admission no 50 Form 1. Form 2 na Form 3 nyina wo ye bi wo ho afes no student na bia pede free school baby na eba ho botro wasa ni nyina o ye bi wo ho friend was 0248 876 028 and 0553 959 997 Kwebis Senior High School was a center of knowledge.
Adum Dandi Natural Herbal Clinic efrefre sebra say oh yare bi ti say blood pressure afei wo mojabruso mo so a sebi mapa wo a machina munya bi no usisi na ye wo ya yare wahoro bebre say wo enem nsanyare me kire STI Sompa so a mo dia say wo do ne be kire o maso afei stroke say prostate afei diabetes remedy kankan nyina no okọ Adum Dandi Natural Herbal Clinic on behwo na ho atimi ato wo Nkoranza Kuridium ha oben health center e won Nkoranza sanso na techimanfo mfomani enkyere Kenten taxi rank ho Grace Hospital Road no so e ho na mo benya wo mo na osemen kantro say Nkoranza ha no Monday bia otenase ana face Saturday Monday to Saturday otenase afei techiman Monday and Tuesday and so osheho omodi anso be frɛ Adum Natural Herbal Clinic forum e wo 0241 085 731
Yebekwa from Divine Winners Company Limited for na de ye ko wonuma dro Vital 05 awudro bia nim eyema moayen eyema nobaye nyina Francis Tewia Agrochemicals eton bi Nkoranza ha Alpha and Omega Efiano Honorable Antwibu Asiakwa yerede eja say frɛ wo 0243 852751
Nana one collection also say per shirts and jeans trousers ha ni nyina oton bi wo ho e chawa huru nyina ekọ ho a na one collection obenya bi damo ape so no epe socks and say boxers ha ni nyina obenya bi amo oye wholesale na retail make a wholesale na retail je electron dodo another button on kokora ni nyina na one collection oye bi wo ho afei no customization no make a customization na ataro no another ade bia wo bia se pede o tro bi gu ho a obeye damo se t-shirt na pede eye aso na pede t-shirt another ejumoku bi na pede t-shirt a kona na one collection ho afei so no ujesi no pede tro wooden gu echi anaso de pede ye picture frame ana ni nyina na one collection obeye ama Nkoranza ade no on MPP office
90.7 FM
roundabout friend was 0532 663 264 0532 663 6264.
Akuafo muntie me sanse nsu ya start gugu minim se masha se moye mokua adwuma no na amu great agro akuafo nti na ose yemfam to manim se ope we decide bi abbo ama asase no etimi aye kama ama aboa ma udua nnua ba ye no etimi nyini kama ko amu great agro na koto no nyina bi wo patron e wo ho passion ni crown wo force up shefu anafe lambda ni nyina bi e wo fertilizers no so MPK ammonia urea ni nyina wokọ a unsabeti maka bi watete so na wose oto niema every 2000 ekwa ode niema dudo na ede chew nti aden na mfo ni nkyere ho na nkoje nkua ye niema ni nyina na mfa nkodi djuma wone fire service no na di animhwe ewo Nkoranza Creative new market na mechire na mo amwo donkron kwantan so wo dwumukrum sekukwan no so afi so wo druman kese so a wone ata mobile money na edi animhwe a Anglican school mo room number 32 ewo edwanem Saturday bia so otenase bontifo one car station odi animhwe frɛ Richard Amu ewo 0549113208 0549113208.
Senior high school ba ko a abobra e wo Ghana ha e Brekum Star Senior High School nipa bebre na afa school mu ne okwa asuapon college ahodo na wo mo border for wo teacher for wo bibia e kama e wo ne kwan mu pepepe enenti e nei ubetima ma oba ko Brekum Star Senior High School e twente akase staff sec general art general science business ene home economics more boarding facilities or why you come up from Madam Joyce 0243 643251.
3A Herbal Center, what the 3A cold capsules, or your cocoa master Abu Gordon. What was a druna or two I am Tim no chede. William Nate me ko toilet to cry on ye. Sisi Yarba Ajwa bodu anaso de cocoa na or wa. 3A cold capsules wonin druni bi na on board. Echo herbal shop ana chemical shop ani nyina ebenye bi wo ho na ato. Se pene dudu eto afre 0546 107 107.
Vibrant multimedia printing and design solution printing yama nti obibia opese oprinti afako ho oprinti ade a efe eni da ho nti enye wonwa de bia obekọ no nipa guru so saa wo so ade a opese oprinti a ema eni da ho no de ko vibrant odwoma bro san kese no so ewo old market na
90.7 FM
old market okay room number 20 any 21 wokọ ha obenya homo na say large format printing DTF printing afi say flyer hodo pese o book binding ni nyina oye ewo ho friend 0245 463216 0245 463216.
Bojibo Ventures ano petron safra ose watena se na wotwene ya sha ase obema ne sika obeji sika ya Bojibo Ventures afei eba no bank e bi ni Nkwansa ha Fidelity Ecobank Access Bank ni nyina obaha enuma obetumi aboa ama wonsa atume akabi oto safra ose tumnika na bra ni nchen Nkwansa di nkrase 0248 089463.
Nkwansa hade no SS school college no home na wo hapa St Benedict SHS ono no so wasi na atro kwan en twa
Sompa FM
one time pasho kra wona chi kwan won Nkwanza mango ase wo ye courses ni nyina general art home economics science na mo keka ho nyina wo ye afes wo so ultra modern hostel facility a ekọ ho a chede enyago kra wo ba mo ediban so da aka ho anopa eziban ewia brenyum eziban na enyumbere so eziban ni nyina aka ho se epe school yi one number from 0240 209 851 0240 209 851
Emmanuel Remedial Institute ewo Nkoranza kumse dumase na omo ka kire obi bia opese o tworo wasi na o pass ni se braho na omo de records ni kuta omo afi bia 100% eninti se oyo ofo na opese o do ba eco school na o tworo pass ya fa no ko ho afi mofra no so amutie me no wako school no ba bia amoa call Emmanuel Remedial Institute eho na obetwa no watwa ne oye general science, general arts, home econs, agric and afi technical for 0242 10 5151 0242 10 5151.
St. Mark's Dr. say watana say was St. Mark's Natural Health Clinic. Osa yade bia yade wo moja mu ntini wam ahra wa mu brebo mu Dr. Sane nyina oye test ahodo nyina na utwa scan nyina bi 0592 928 wona wo muntu anamom Race and Co Ghana Limited e yakuafo adampo de yakuafo ho nema na aba edro na ekum emwa ewe amango na watermelon na afi esana ewe aburo fall army worm no ode ni nura ba no max 150 SC promise ya de do burase ewura na ne eden te se esre eton afi anoma aduane China rice kuntun kete ene keka ho
90.7 FM
tu ase kura ede amam ena ode foliar fertilizer abe ya asase ye glycerin nso ode do asase ema ewura nyina eko dependable agro ewubusuya benya be captain agro wotechiman dwam eja eku farms ewutechiman ken mark agro enso droman kese ena afi waf agrochemical nyina mu okwa ubenya bi ewo ho enti hwehwe o machi akwan na one wono eni edwa
ye nyina ye tie Sompa